गो।
अव्यान शुरू करो।
Oof. Uh, shit. Hello, welcome to Corona Chan 2020,
2021
2021. So I would like to start off by introducing what actually is Corona Chan. So Corona Chan was this society which was brought into fruition by Literary Club in
मैं थप्पड़ मारूंगी।
2019,
लाया था।
right? कब आया था? अरे कब आया था?
September
2019 में ही आया था ना?
यार इससे हिस्ट्री नहीं बोली है, कोई और बोलो हिस्ट्री।
कोरोना चांद से 2020 में आया था, ग्रुप 2019
अरे
में
हाँ,
था।
I'm explaining it to you ना. So
Is
Corona
this
Chan initially
required?
came in
और
2020.
क्रेडिट्स का है भाई, मैंने बनाया था।
अरे
अरे सब दे रहा हूँ ना,
यार
मैं
दो
बता
ना
रहा
क्रेडिट
हूँ
ड्रामा
यार.
क्वीन है
I'm
भाई।
giving an outsider's view to Corona Chan कैसा आया था. So basically, Literary Club has been trying to capitalize anime viewers as a fan base or a base for their Instagram के vote, मतलब Instagram followers. So
Yes,
that's how
literary
they.
club failed. I would just like people to know.
Always
हाँ
looking
हाँ.
for clout.
So we have two literaps over here, Sayyam and Ishita. So these guys
I was
went
not a
ahead.
literary.
He was a literal? क्या
I
बकवास
was
कर
not
रहा
a
है?
literary.
Yeah.
अच्छा, okay. So Ishita was the literap. So she went ahead and she made this group called 2D 3D, which was known as App Office initially, and that evolved and became Corona Chan. Then Raghav Chaturvedi, who is a graduating senior, he'll be graduating this year. And then he had this idea of having this podcast so that the
Did I
anime
have it?
culture at IITD can be reaffirmed, because we do know it gets a bit lonely out there when you do not have your fellow weebs with you. So yes, so with this I would just like to introduce everyone. So I'll just start off with my screen ka top left, which is Ishita. Why don't you introduce yourself, Ishita?
Introduce me करना था. Wow, I'm suddenly very uncomfortable. Hi guys, my name is Ishita. I really hope you part video में नहीं आएगा, but it's fine. So I'm in third year and I started off with anime pretty late, around 9th class. So
That's not
currently
late.
It's not late.
क्या
That's not late. That's when I started.
क्या
If you just
Well,
That's not late.
yeah.
it's not
Most people
late.
start around that time.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
Mhm.
Thanks for interrupting. अच्छा, so
Required है. नहीं मतलब अच्छा लगेगा ना, interactive podcast होगी फिर.
okay.
हम्म.
ठीक है. तो I mostly watch shoujo and comedy, but sometimes गलती से कभी-कभी shonen भी आ जाता है. So today we'll be talking about how all of us got into anime, and would be speaking about the IIT culture regarding anime and around it, and what is basically so inviting us.
वैसे what I meant by an introduction was a simple कि hi, I'm Ishita, I'm in third year. Raghav would have said fourth year, बाकी सारे second year करते हैं. उसके बाद then we would have started with the thing, क्योंकि वो तो होता ही है ना, initially you have to introduce yourself in the podcast. मतलब that's what I felt.
अगर
मतलब
ऐसा ही है ना, सुन, अगर इतना है ना तो just say we have with us today इशिता, राघव, संयम. मैं म्याऊं म्याऊं बोलने वाली थी.
अरे
मैं
नहीं,
प्लीज प्लीज
अरे
प्लीज
नहीं
go with it.
cool हो
हाँ,
जाता है ना when everybody just introduces themselves साथ में line में. So
उसमें बहुत टाइम लगता
नहीं
है.
बहुत weird होता है.
बोरिंग.
okay, so today
Okay,
with
so
us,
just say today we have with us blah 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 whatever.
Sure.
today with us we have
Please
Ishita Hans, we have Raghav Chaturvedi, we have Meow Meow, we have Vishal Asthana, we have Sanyam, and we have Lupus Regina Beta, who's not from ID Delhi, he's from ID
ये
Bombay.
नहीं बोलना है.
अबे ये नहीं बोलना था ना।
अच्छा नहीं बोलना था.
It's fine, मैं बोल देती हूँ. Okay, so today we
Yes.
have with us Raghav, Sayam, Avyansh, Artike, Vishal, Lupus Regina, and I am Ishita. So let's begin by talking about how exactly all of us got into anime. Kartike, would you like to begin?
नहीं
Meow Meow, would you like to begin?
अब नहीं बोलते हैं, episode 1 finished.
अरे Meow Meow, would you like to begin?
नहीं
अच्छा, like
Yeah.
that reminds me of. Okay, never mind.
अरे why never mind, go
कर
ahead.
शुरू कर। बढ़िया
No, that मैं
तू
anime की
initiative
बात
ले
नहीं कर
रहा
रहा
है।
था exactly. So
चालू कर
Okay,
यार
so
तू।
can I start? मैं चालू
बोल।
करूँ?
हाँ
Yes.
हाँ हाँ.
Yes.
So how I got an anime, I guess I didn't know what anime and all this culture was before 10th, I guess. So in the holiday, after my 10th board exams got over, it was my cousin who just suggested me, there's something on this Death Note, you watch it. And at
Oh.
that time, YouTube was the primary source. So I started with YouTube. I did not like the anime initially. I was like, what is this? This is just cartoon in some different language. And I was like, okay, this seems good. I
So
finished Death Note. Took me about 2 days. And after that, I was searching around, like, there has to be a dedicated source. So with the help of my cousin, I found some dedicated sources for anime. And the second anime which I watched was, well, the Grisaya trilogy.
Nice.
What?
Okay, it's a
Grisaya,
pretty
it's a
far
good
cry
thing.
from what had started.
Yes.
Okay, it's psychological horror anime, tragedy. It's like so I realized it's not that there's not a single genre in this what you can say, this thing known as anime. It is a very vast thing. It's a complete new universe, and I got invested into it. It was Grisaya, then followed by some ongoing titles, then Hunter x Hunter, and it
Hey, you
went
said
on.
Hunter x Hunter. अभी
And
बोल रहे
then
हो, it's
and
on.
then in the mid of 11th, I started a series in another world with a smartphone. The anime left me. No,
Nice.
I was hanging. It left me hanging. It did not have a climax. So that's how I got introduced to the source material of anime. It was light novels, web novels, and manga. And it takes time to search for sources. So initially it was Reddit or it just plain Googling. And then I went on and got onto some discrete sources for what I need. And currently, here it is now. It's about, I guess, 4 to 5 years since I started on this journey with a small hiatus in between. And yeah, there it is.
was that hiatus for JE?
अरे
Like
ये
a
फोन
personal attack.
लैपटॉप बंद था और फोन मॉम का था तो देखने को कुछ मिलता नहीं था सैडली
Sad life.
That's
Yeah,
an
sad life.
interesting
Fun
hiatus.
था तो वो कैसे करते थे? Like जेई के लिए कैसे पढ़ते थे?
अरे नहीं फिर बाद में आई मीन देयर वाज ए डेस्कटॉप था घर में बट इट वाज लाइक एनिमे देख नहीं सकता ना ओपनली इतना
Yeah,
डेस्कटॉप
true.
पे
Especially light novel contents.
Yeah, I think
okay और yeah and one more thing I wanted to ask इसमें I did not include any sources or like how I got started with everything वो सब डालना था क्या
नहीं
No,
वो
no,
just say whatever is
informal.
natural to you.
जो बोलना है बोलो सब chill रहता है.
okay I guess
Yeah.
कोई और बोलो
हाँ, yeah, I think
Guess I'll
one
go
time
next.
someone else
Hmm?
also pointed out that like a lot of people tend to start with Death
Death
Note
Note,
as their
yeah.
first anime. Do you
I was gonna say very original.
original?
I mean, at the context of
Sarcasm.
Death Note, the suspense, it is what draws you in. Like after the few episodes, it's like interesting. What will this character do? How will this character go forward with the schemes? It's interesting. It draws the viewers in.
And
So
I think the dub is good. So people
Yeah,
don't
No,
watch
wait.
sub
exactly.
straight
Maybe I'm
away.
just a basic weeb,
I
but
can't agree on that. But
yeah, like first episode, me I was completely hooked.
yeah, exactly.
When I
agree.
heard Light's
Hmm.
monologue and Ryuk's reaction to it, I was like, okay, I have to end this shit
Okay,
tomorrow.
okay.
For me, it was a
This
very
is some
killing moment.
Antichrist. This is some Antichrist, and we need to follow it. And that was what hooked me up to the series. This is some amazing creature. करके.
Death Note breaks all stereotypes na, of what you consider a cartoon to be. So I think that's why you
Yeah, like
recommended.
Makes
Yeah,
sense.
dude,
like
instinct
most
of anime.
cartoons made are for children and they are comedy, so it was different from comedy, so it appealed to a wider audience, I guess.
And
Well,
and I did not have a character who had a conscience. Like he had a goal, he wanted to achieve it. So it's like all the idealities, like everybody wants it, right? Like I do not want a person, I want to eliminate him. What will happen if you get that power? That is, the anime was a manifestation of one's desires, of wanting to eliminate their problems, the people who were hampering their progress or such. So
So
yeah,
did
that is one
anyone
dark reason.
start off with the original big three anime, Dragon Ball, the Naruto, Bleach? कोई है यहाँ पे?
No,
Yeah.
never
No,
did.
I saw
I've
Dragon
never,
Ball Z
I've,
when I
ne-
I
was
started
young,
with
but
I've
Inuyasha.
never watched these.
but
I
never
did
watched
it
these.
that way,
Dragon
but
Ball
it is
Z,
not
I
recommended.
guess Dragon Ball Z everyone used to watch on TV, but never.
yeah.
that it
मैंने
was-
उससे
Look,
पहले
there
इनुयाशा
was this
देखा
thing
था.
about Dragon Ball Z back when it was airing, and I think I was in 6th or 7th class. It used to re-air from the Majin Buu saga as soon as the Kid Buu saga started. I don't know why that happened, and I used to absolutely hate it. That's why I dropped Dragon Ball Z. Oh my
अच्छा
god.
फिर तो काफी सैड. अच्छा किसी को चाहिए the
Just to
biggies?
build on what
I'll
Raghav said, like I think a big reason why people are initially hesitant to see anime, like at least personal experience from what my friends say, it's कि या तो उनको subtitles पढ़ना अच्छा नहीं लगता है because they have to alternate between
shit
watching the
reason. I used to
Dude,
watch
see,
TV series
I
see,
used
with
to watch
people watch
subtitles
movies,
movies,
also.
people watch
yeah.
a web series on Netflix. The same reason they complain about subtitles. They watch web series on Netflix, Amazon with subtitles.
हाँ
Yeah.
नहीं
And,
तो they
and it's double standards,
अरे
right?
नहीं
नहीं
ना.
Yeah.
देखते हैं
There
subtitles.
is an entry barrier ना. First of all, it's
And
animated.
one more
No,
thing,
doesn't
like,
look
see,
that good.
हम लोग छोटे
And
रहते थे, like, from your childhood, you're watching Dragon Ball Z, you're watching Pokemon. So that it is that thing कि okay, हम लोग बच्चे थे तब से aware हो रहा है, so वो बच्चों के लिए है. And it's like at the
हाँ.
age when you're in 10th or so, we are in puberty, so अपने को नहीं चाहिए कि we do not want to be associated as children. हम लोग को we want to be associated कि हाँ भाई हम लोग बड़े हो गए. So we want to distance
Yeah, the
ourselves from that childish
cringe
stuff.
phase.
ये
Yes,
तो
the
ज़्यादा
cringe
ही
phase.
गया moment हो
Makes
गया.
sense.
Should I go next?
Go on.
हाँ हाँ.
Yeah. So hi guys, I'm Sayyam. I'm एक सेकंड बोलना है कि IITD से हो या ऐसा कुछ.
Doesn't
नहीं नहीं.
matter, just say whatever you want.
You are a weak.
Yes. So hi guys, I'm Sayyam. I started on anime pretty early. I guess I'll delve deep into how I got into anime. First of all, like most of the people, what got me hooked onto Japanese style animation was the shows as kids such as Pokemon, Digimon, uh, Kuchikame, and Dragon Ball. So like most people around me, I used to play with that and buy merchandise like the Beyblades and uh, some small figures at that time. So after that, for somehow my brother got hold of some GBA games from one of his friends. The GBA games were mostly of Pokemon and Dragon Ball, and that's how I spent a large chunk of my childhood, perhaps 4 or 5 years. After that, I wasn't able to find a game for Dragon Ball GT. So that's what got me into watching anime online because
So
I
the
couldn't see
game
it
Can I
on.
raise a doubt? Is GT non-canon?
Yeah,
It's
GT is
actually
GT is
non-canon,
non-canon.
but
non-canon.
Akira Toriyama worked on the character design as far as I know.
Oh, okay.
अरे you
Yeah,
didn't
they
mention
looked goofy to
class
me.
got into anime. मतलब थोड़ा perspective के लिए.
Hmm? Sure.
मतलब which year? मतलब जैसे 6th grade,
Okay,
7th
so
grade.
yeah, so I started playing the GBA games sometime back in third class, and
Third
uh,
class. Bruh.
and the
Makes
GBA
sense.
and the GBA game phase lasted until maybe ninth, 10th, and I started looking for a GT game sometime around sixth, I guess sixth or seventh. So I couldn't find proper GT games like Majin Buu. There was a game called Buse Fury on GBA, which was a follow-up legacy of Super Saiyan or something like that. So there were two games, Legacy of Super Saiyan 1 and 2, something like that. And they followed the Frieza saga and the Cell saga, and the third game was Buse Fury. So it had all the Dragon Ball Z in it. So after that, I had to find GT. So I looked online and found this dubious site with anime. This was before Kiss Anime was launched. So there were a lot of dubious sites, and YouTube anime wasn't. Uh, there wasn't a lot of anime on YouTube, to be honest. There were some, but not Dragon Ball GT at that time, I guess. So
Mostly
I
what
got
I
into
find is
that.
Hey, there was a lot of anime on YouTube. I watched pura Naruto on YouTube.
the ones I tried to find either had laterally inverted images or something.
अरे नहीं
Yeah,
नहीं.
or sometimes it was in a box. So
हाँ exactly. वो
Yeah,
box
yeah,
में होता
the
था. You
box,
would have
yeah,
Okay,
Small
that's
box.
that
literally
size
that
inverted.
is
of
very
a small
irritating.
box. Yeah.
I don't know why they still do that. So
No,
yeah,
they
I
do it to
just
avoid
search
copyright,
That
online,
is
I
watch
guess.
for
Dragon Ball
copyright.
GT
That is for
online.
copyright. To avoid
अरे
copyright
नहीं
strikes.
नहीं. That is for clout ना. मतलब the person who is pirating it उसको भी तो
Makes
अच्छा feel
sense.
करना है.
No, that's probably not it, but okay.
अरे that is it यार विशाल. अच्छा, how did you get into anime, Vishal?
अरे
Since
तुम जाओ यार.
अच्छा
Let me
how-
finish.
I'm into
अच्छा सही में
mid-phase.
खत्म नहीं हुआ?
No.
ये
So
ये
yeah,
ये दिक्कत होती है उन लोग के साथ जिनकी मेमोरी अच्छी होती है
yeah. So
कि वैसे रहते हैं ना पूरा टाइम।
तो लाइक विविडली डिस्क्राइब करना है कि बहुत ज्यादा
हाँ हाँ,
तो-
अरे
okay.
जैसे करना है कर दो यार।
हाँ ठीक है
हम्म।
कोई
let's go
एंडिंग
ahead.
हो जाके हर्ष
मतलब
ला
Go
तुम्हें
ahead,
देगा।
go ahead.
Competition.
Let's just
किसका काटना है
Oh
वो हर्ष के हाथ में है।
क्या
तुम्हें जैसे
no.
डिसाइड करना है कर दो किसका काटना है वो हर्ष के हाथ में है।
Makes
कटेगा
sense.
थोड़ा ना किसी
Yeah.
का।
Cool. I'm
नहीं
fine with that.
कटेगा ये तो बड़ी वीडियो होनी है मैं प्लान नहीं करी 20 मिनट से ज्यादा बड़ी वीडियो होगी।
So can I continue?
बोलो.
Yeah.
हाँ, बोलो।
So after that, I wasn't. Yeah. So I had a preface to that. Whatever you call it. So before that, my brother used to watch Star World on TV, and I used to watch it with him, like TV series like Friends or How I Met Your Mother and all that. So I got used to seeing subtitles by that point. So whenever I watch something, I would be like, I need subtitles. Even for movies that I downloaded, I needed subtitles. I was hooked onto them because I find it hard to understand the American English at times. It's a weird reason, but yeah.
yeah.
So
makes sense.
I got hooked onto them, and that's why I couldn't watch most anime dubbed because they used to exclude the subtitles in that. So I started watching it in Japanese. That was also another reason that when I got bored of the Pokemon games, I'm bored in the sense that I played Leaf Green 3-4 times in a row and was like, I need something else. So I started watching Pokemon Black and White, but it was in Japanese. And if you have ever watched Pokemon in Japanese, you know how terrible it is after you have been exposed to the English names, because only Pikachu is named the same in Japanese. Rest all Pokemons have different
Oh,
names
yeah.
that you can't even
Mm.
recognize. So yeah, that was a
I
big
think
problem. So I dropped
Ash
Black
is
and
called
White and
Satoshi.
Satoshi, हाँ.
yeah, Satoshi. But it was a new region, so I thought that most Pokemon's names are weird, but okay. It was until that I saw them calling Onyx something else, and I was like, what?
Onyx
What
called
is that?
in Japanese.
I don't remember what it is. But the English names are pretty good. I will say that. Never watched Pokemon in Japanese. So yeah,
Couldn't-
so I dropped Pokemon and I watched Dragon Ball GT, but it was limited to that. I wasn't hooked onto anime by that point because it was only continuation of several series that I was already following. It was after, it was during school. We used to play a game called Shadow Fight or something like that on Facebook. I think some of you might have played that. So because of that, people used to do the moves in the school and fight with each other. So someone mentioned Naruto during that, and they explained the whole pain arc to me. I was like, yeah, that sounds pretty cool. So I went online and watched Naruto with my brother, and from there it was a single journey forward with watching a lot of anime. Initially, I considered FMAB very shit because my brother watched without me sometimes, so I skipped half the content and didn't know what was happening and all that. But slowly I got used to watching anime alone as well, so I watched it properly and liked it the second time. And there were a lot of series I started following. Like I started Naruto back in 8th, and by the time I was in 10th, I had seen maybe 4,000-5,000 episodes worth of content.
You'd seen 4
अच्छा, let's do the
thousand
math
What?
now, na.
episodes and you said ki you were not hooked onto anime by that point.
No, I was hooked by the time I was in
I've
10th.
only seen
I was
4,000
hooked
episodes.
Ruko,
after
ruko.
Naruto.
3
I wasn't hooked
episodes
during
is
Dragon Ball GT.
1 hour, so you had seen 1,600 hours worth of anime in how many
Yeah.
years?
Over 3 years, I guess, 2
3
to 3
years.
years.
So that is
It is pretty easy. Like you watch
Oh, yeah,
One
it's not
Piece,
easy.
Bleach, Naruto. I
It's
watched Naruto thrice actually.
You were,
approximately
I think you watched Detective Conan, right?
Yeah, I watched
Or
Detective
was that
Conan
later?
entirely, but that was during the 11th.
560 hours per year, so that comes around to 2 hours of anime every day. हाँ चलो
Yeah, that's
that-
pretty normal.
हाँ
Pretty
हाँ,
slow
मतलब
actually.
somehow maybe
Doable.
not
Doable.
not more.
Yeah,
That's
also
like, no, that's without skipping any day.
yeah, but it is
Mm,
pretty easy. Like I started watching One Piece, and I did like an arc a day marathons until my mother used to come in the room at 1 a.m. and be like, "What the hell are you doing
hey,
at
you
this
used
time
to
of the
stay up till 1 when you were in 9th or 10th भाई
Yeah,
भाई
ये तो काफी chill household है भाई
No,
हाँ
I got scolded because of that. And so
Like
because of that, I started reading manga because with manga you have phone. You can do it
you
with
can do it
light
inside the
stuff.
bed.
I wouldn't
Makes sense.
recommend
12 से पहले
reading
how
it
many
on
of
phone
you
with light stuff, but you can do that and won't get caught.
how are you guys even
Man,
allowed
I
to
didn't have an
play
access to a phone
घर
in
वाले
10th.
घर वाले कुछ बोलते नहीं ना एनीमे
I
स्टार्ट
got
नहीं देख
access
रहे हो
to personal phone back in 10th class, I guess, or wait, 9th.
I see straight A student? Why not give him a phone?
Okay, let me just interrupt and say कि that was a wonderful introduction. However, बहुत लंबी थी तो
बस
काट
बताओ
नहीं पड़ेगी. I hope you realize that.
Yeah, I do
पता होगा
realize
उन्हें
that, but किसी को
हाँ
मैंने
कुछ कुछ
बताई
काट
नहीं
देना
पता
थी अपनी
होगा
love story, तो फिर
हाँ,
अच्छी लगी हो
काट
तुम्हें
देना
it was a good introduction, but it wasn't बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऐसे back and forth नहीं हुआ था. पहली बात तो सब लोगों के साथ. दूसरा, I don't think बहुत ऐसे वैसा भी था कि explain हो पाए and लंबा था. तो this is just a comment for the rest of the podcast.
to
कि
keep it short.
to keep it shorter, not short, to keep it shorter. ठीक है?
हाँ
And like, आराम से बोल.
हम्म,
Again, nobody except us is going to watch it. ठीक है? So then I'll begin with my introduction. No, sorry, whatever. So most of you know the story वैसे about how I got into anime, but
I
just
don't.
for the sake of it, I'll say it again.
I
I
don't.
forgot. I
I
forgot.
Let's get into it.
हाँ
I
ठीक है.
know
इन लोग को नहीं पता होगा ना.
अच्छा लाइक थोड़ा बैक एंड फोर्थ भी होना मतलब इंटरेक्शन बहुत कम हो रहा है हमारे बीच में
मैं वो वाला फेस तो बताना ही भूल गया जब मैंने सबसे
अच्छी
पहली
बात है.
मांगा
देयर इज अ
पढ़ी
केस
थी
दैट यू वांटेड टू टेल अस
मैं फर्स्ट मांगा वाज आकिसोरा
देखो
मैं
फर्स्ट
वैसे जगह
मांगा
का तो
क्या क्या
I
didn't hear that right?
I didn't
मैं फर्स्ट मांगा
include
वाज
the
आकिसोरा
What the fuck?
पता है अनु
इसको भी बीप करना पड़ेगा.
My first manga was 17701.
What?
you are a weird
Real child.
What?
you're a weird person.
Like
Oh yeah,
it's
are we
a,
including those things here?
why not?
No, I
177
read it
number
as a
one
manga. I didn't
is a
Why the
cultured.
hell not?
It's a cultured piece of
No,
art.
because I did not say like my initial reactions after watching Grisaya. Those were some pretty. No, I
I know
started
that.
with Death Note. I started with Death Note, and the second anime I watched is Grisaya. See, no,
I
At
remember
least it
those scenes.
wasn't Azure Lane.
There are many scenes in
uncensored
Grisaya.
Grisaya.
भाई सारा uncensored है हाँ वो भी
Uncensored
है.
Grisaya.
Yeah, I
पता है
think
मेरे को.
Obviously.
when I first saw Death Note, I had hots for Misa, you know, she looked kind of.
अरे
नहीं.
यार
So
guys
नहीं.
guys
I wanna trash
that's
talk
how
you.
I got it.
अरे
Yeah,
अरे अरे
Introduced.
give me
let's
a
move on.
This
second.
is
Let's
gonna
move on.
get cut.
All
एक
right, never
सेकंड रुक
mind.
जाओ मतलब this is all fine कि we're having a discussion on anime but थोड़ा I think podcast type का flow होना चाहिए वरना आएगा ही नहीं बाहर so let इशिता introduce मतलब अभी हम लोग कुछ ज़्यादा ही off tangent चले गए थे उधर से कर लेना banter but अभी थोड़ा flow में रहते हैं so
Okay.
yes इशिता please
Okay, so when I was in I think 7th या 8th, तो जब मैं स्कूल में थी तो I used to have a partner who was थोड़ा ऐसे delinquent type सा. मतलब स्कूल में उस टाइम पे होता था ना कि मेरे मार्क्स अच्छे आते थे तो ऐसा होता था ना कि मार्क्स अच्छे आते तो अच्छा लड़का होगा या अच्छी लड़की होगी. तो वैसी सी रेपुटेशन होती थी हम लोग की. What?
कुछ नहीं.
Okay, so like तो फिर ऐसा होता था कि जैसे like अच्छे लोगों को ऐसे delinquent टाइप के लोगों के साथ पार्टनर बिठाते थे. तो
Yeah, सुधारने के लिए. Yeah, right.
हाँ
That was the third,
Yeah.
fourth thing in our school.
नहीं हमारे
ना
स्कूल
ना
में
वो चलता था हम लोग स्कूल में भी.
हमारे तो जो मेरा पार्टनर था he used to draw all the time and वो mostly comic type का ज़्यादा draw करता था. So one day I just said to him, I was talking to him and I said to him कि तुझे पता है what you should draw. जब मैं छोटी थी ना तो ये एक चीज़ मैं देखती थी टीवी पे and it was about a guy जो एक डिटेक्टिव था बहुत famous and then उसके पीछे कुछ बैड गाइस पड़ गए एंड उन्होंने ना उसको कुछ पिला दिया, तो उससे फिर वो छोटा हो गया। तो वो
Oh.
छोटा बन के डिटेक्टिव कोनन छोटा बन के डिटेक्टिव की तरह घूमता है। तो फिर at that point I didn't know the name of the series. I didn't even know कि it was a series. I just knew it as something जो टीवी पे आता था जब मैं छोटी थी. I just told my partner कि अच्छा तू ये बना के ना फन आएगा. तो then he told me कि ये डिटेक्टिव कोनन है एंड ये टीवी पे आता था जब हम छोटे थे. तो तब जाके I realized that there is something called anime and that is something that I used to watch. So that is where I started watching anime. फिर उसके बाद से like there are 1,000 episodes in Detective Conan for those who don't know. So it is
Yeah, I watched it all.
क्या?
I watched it all.
Very nice.
आपने नहीं देखे होंगे सारे।
मतलब 1,000 episodes ठीक है तूने देख लिया okay. I wonder why and how but okay. तो फिर at 100 episodes I kind of left it because एक तो
पता था।
फिर थे detective.
Okay, I'd like to
long
add to
and
that.
not that
Like, Detective Conan was dropped by. There used to be. Okay, there's a bit of a history, and this will probably cut.
Oh
But
God.
but there used to be different dubbing groups at that time. One of the more notorious ones was 4Kids, I guess, because they changed a lot of stuff around and censored stuff and all that. And I think there used to be competition between these groups. One of the prominent one was Funimation, and it came out on top. And 4Kids used to be shit on because of its bad quality. But the English dub was dropped very early for Detective Conan. So that's why we never got the further episodes, because I don't think they used to translate the original Japanese content in India. The Hindi episodes would come based on dub of English probably.
यार उसकी हिंदी ओपनिंग बहुत अच्छी होती थी यार.
है ना, मैं हूँ डिटेक्टिव कोनन ऐसे करके. आई रिमेम्बर.
I
बस
think.
इतना ही याद है मुझे, बट काफी कूल थी, मुझे याद है.
Okay.
but you know the next thing that was disappointing is कि मेरे स्कूल में I think बहुत कम लोगों ने देखा था anime. Coincidentally मेरी पार्टनर ने देखा था anime and she recommended Bleach to me, ठीक है. And that is where मेरी proper like anime journey began. because मैं Bleach से बहुत ज़्यादा fascinate हो गई थी because उसका मुझे concept भी अच्छा लगा था.
Now you don't
Bleach
watch
की
shonen anymore.
Then she's good
beginning
looking.
was good. ठीक है.
The
Bleach
journey from bleach to free.
you know that is a story worth telling. That is a story worth telling. That is a story for another time. तो उसके बाद से थोड़ा ऐसा लगा कि binge worthy है and उसके बाद से I really got into the entire culture and मुझे समझ आया कि क्या होता है कैसे होता है and it was very interesting to me at that time because at that time मैं कुछ ऐसी series भी नहीं देखती थी. I didn't really
What did you used to watch then?
I used to watch sitcoms mostly, मतलब Friends and Big Bang Theory and How I Met Your Mother and that. जो अभी भी मैं वही देखती हूँ वैसे. I haven't changed.
Now I feel bad कि I spent my childhood watching Tom and Jerry and all that things. और ये
वो
सब
भी
कुछ नहीं
देखा था.
देखा.
Not bad. Tom and Jerry is worth
I
watching.
never watched English
Yeah,
cartoons.
I still watch Tom and Jerry, but I haven't watched a single net series like How I Met Your Mother or such. एक भी नहीं देखा.
ठीक है. I mean, you
Good
haven't
for
missed
you.
out on much.
Yeah,
You have
yeah,
enough
very good.
content. You have enough
Friends.
research in other topics. Don't worry.
Other than Gintama, I would just like to add.
You
Add.
like?
क्या?
क्या
You like?
I heard Gintama.
I
That's all.
also heard Gintama.
I said Friends is funnier than Gintama.
Yeah,
Sorry, I
मैं
might have to leave
no.
this.
यहाँ पे भी चल जाता हूँ.
This just might be.
I think so. Her mic glitched on for a moment. Yeah.
What?
No, she said Friends
Nothing.
is funnier than Gintama.
हाँ, I said that only
I
because
was
Vishal is in the call. अगर विशाल नहीं होता ना तो
And
मैं
these are called shitty takes of Ishita Hans.
That's the shittiest.
I was trying to pass this off as her mic malfunction.
Right, yeah. Like, how could he be?
तूने देखा है Friends?
Just
I watched one episode of Friends. I can say that
हाँ.
Gintama is very funny.
अरे
Uh,
यार,
yeah,
Gintama is
there's
like the
also the
funniest shit
thing
ever
that
made.
Japanese comedy is way different than what you expect from sitcoms. Sitcoms
Yeah.
comedies doesn't appeal to everyone.
So
Japanese
एक second,
comedy
Because
doesn't either.
Japanese comedies
hard
also don't appeal to everyone. What do you mean?
Yeah, I know that.
it's hard to make people laugh with poop jokes, right? Usually.
Yeah,
And this
you
is
can't
much
do that
different
in
from what
sitcom.
you'll find in Hindi TV series.
Oh, I don't know. Can we make a Hindi dub of Gintama?
Let's not
Hmm.
go to Hindi series.
That's
Kochi
fine.
काम
all
What?
right.
Kochikame was Kochikame
हाँ,
was
अरे
absolutely
Kochi
Kochikame
Kame
Kochikame was love.
Kochi.
guys, राघव को इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहा है.
हाँ.
introduction खत्म हो गया इशिता का?
हाँ मेरा हो गया खत्म.
मैं जाऊँ
Okay.
हाँ
The
काट
shittiest
लीजिए.
take on planet Earth.
Yes,
Hey, you
Raghav,
haven't
so
touched mine yet. You
if
don't
you
know.
would like to roll now.
No, let me speak.
Oh भाई, okay then.
KP.
मुझे हर्ष के लिए बुरा लग रहा है.
क्या
मुझे हर्ष के लिए बुरा लग रहा है.
उसे पूरा सुनना पड़ेगा ना.
बहुत.
come on.
मुझे
बहुत
अपने
सैड
लिए भी बुरा लग रहा है क्योंकि मुझे उसके साथ बैठना पड़ेगा.
सैड
Chill
क्यों
है,
बैठना है?
आपको आइडिया है ना
Hey,
लेकिन कब
You
अच्छा.
can add in the filler commentary ना. ठीक है.
ठीक है. So I guess I got into anime when I used to see Animax on TV.
First of all, who are you?
Meow
अबे
Meow.
यार.
Karthikeya and
This is
Corbin
Nya Nya.
from
This is Meow Meow. People also know me as Karthikeya. I don't know why, but they know me as Karthikeya. Pretty
Okay,
disappointing, I know.
I had a good intro for myself, man. You busted me.
Sorry, man. So where were we? So I used to watch Animax, Inuyasha and stuff. Then I remember when I was in class third, Animax got cuts a deal with Tata Sky, so it turned off. Then I started googling stuff. I binged all the series that used to come on Animax. Then Naruto, Dragon Ball Z, and stuff. Then I guess I left in sixth. I was pretty bored by then. I started again in
Wait,
10th.
I have a question.
बोल.
तूने 6 से पहले स्टार्ट किया था.
Yes.
ओके, तूने 6 तक ये सब खत्म कर लिया था.
हाँ मैंने काफी कुछ खत्म कर लिया था. Then
Continue.
I left. फिर मैंने 9th में दोबारा चालू किया और मैंने पता नहीं क्या क्या बेंच करा. एंड फिर मैंने 12th की जेई के बाद मैंने बहुत सारे सीजनल्स देखे थे. एंड फेरी टेल.
And fairy tale.
एंड
Raise his eyebrows.
मैंने अभी इस लॉकडाउन में वन पीस किया. मींस कैच अप. खत्म कहाँ से. So I guess that's it.
Necessary to mention, was it One Piece manga or anime?
देखो मांगा एंड एनिमे में इम्पोर्टेंट आर्क्स. मेरे अंदर हिम्मत नहीं थी भाई इतना एपिसोड देखने की. सॉरी बट मांगा इज गोल्ड.
Yeah.
Oh, that's it.
सो कौन जा रहा है?
राघव.
I am going next.
यस.
Okay. So, I mean, like everyone in my childhood, also like I used to watch Animax. I remember watching Prince of Tennis for a very
That
long
was a
time
love series.
when I was
बहुत
young.
टफ सीरीज थी. मैंने 4 बार खत्म करी है.
Yeah, I mean, I just used,
Prince of Tennis is about.
I see. So the
I
I mean, the
think
good
you
thing
would
about
send
Prince of
Conan.
Tennis is ki it used to air at around on Animax. It used to air around 3:30, and that was the exact time when I used to come home from
From
school.
school. Yeah.
So every day I used to watch that after school.
Those shows are
Yeah, and I
special.
also used to play tennis around that time. So yeah, it's just a sports anime. It features a guy who plays tennis. That's an apt description. And
Yeah.
Raghav being chat.
I used to watch like other stuff also, like Dragon Ball, Kochikame, like everyone mentioned. And yeah, but I never really acknowledged that there's a thing called anime, and all of these are called anime. But it was when I was in 10th, like 2, 3, like I had different friend groups, and they all recommended me Death Note at the same time, which was like very trippy.
Death Note was very big around that time. Yeah.
And yeah, I just
Makes sense.
watched it. I watched it on YouTube, but I didn't finish it. I left it around episode 25. People know.
Good thing.
Oh yeah.
Good job.
And
Why?
yeah, I
Why? क्या
finished.
हुआ था?
I mean,
L
everyone
died.
knows.
L died.
मतलब you left
Oh,
after I died, na?
Spoilers.
I
हाँ
left it around
You-
episode 25, and then I resumed it like 3 years after I finished it. Huh. But yeah, that's how I got into it. And 11th, 12th, I didn't watch that much, but I remember the time between JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. I used to take the iPad from my mom and used to say कि पढ़ने के लिए चाहिए, and I used to watch a lot of things. I watched like Code Geass and
Nice.
Gias.
what else?
I'm triggered.
What?
How do you
Geese.
pronounce it?
Code Geass.
Gias.
It's
He
Geese.
used Gias. It's Geese.
It's Geass.
no, it's Gias.
Yeah.
Even the
He says-
Japanese,
he
even the
says-
even Japanese
he says
voice actors
Gias.
call it Gias.
Yes.
Me who hasn't watched
Okay.
any anime.
The power of Gias.
GG.
Okay, I haven't watched it.
Oh, and you're gatekeeping it, huh?
देख ले.
Yeah. So then I watched Code Geass, and then I watched Your Lie in April, and the famous animes around that time.
Mhm.
And then I came into IIT, and in my hostel wing, there were a lot of people who were into anime. So I used to watch a lot of stuff with them, and I also got into like watching a lot of weird anime. I remember one time sitting in the hostel
Which-
mess and watching Citrus, and this guy beside me was giving me weird looks. Citrus is an anime about two stepsisters. Yeah,
क्या होता है उस anime में? Why was he giving you weird looks?
it's about two stepsisters. I think I should just say that.
अरे,
much.
it's a
Yuri
Yuri show, na?
Yuri.
What?
Reading all the books.
About
It's-
two steps.
It's an
Yuri.
anime.
Loving each other.
Yeah, it's anime depicting love between
It's just
two
platonic love.
sisters.
Come on.
अरे Yuri है बस.
No,
अच्छा,
it's
Yuri.
platonic love.
Yuri Echi.
See, Yuri is good.
Okay.
Yeah.
We know your views.
I can agree.
We know your view on Yuri. Yuri.
Yui.
Yeah, I think that by then I was like very into Japanese culture and fascinated by Japan. So I like also watched a lot of like real life Japanese TV shows. And
Yes.
K-dramas.
Quite into that.
yeah,
Pretty.
it also
They
like
were
yeah,
pretty
that
amazing.
also got me into
JVs.
K-drama and not change.
Okay, that will have to be cut probably.
No, what's wrong
Beep,
with
beep.
you?
Yeah, like if you would have seen Terrace House, it's like a show like
You've
Japanese
been to
version of
Japan
Big
as
Boss.
well, na?
Yeah, I went to Japan in my like
He's like
December
the realist
of
weeb here.
winter vacation of the first year, just to chill. That also like grew my appreciation for Japan.
Wait,
their
he
way of
went to
living.
Japan to chill. How did he get funded?
For a
He went with
vacation,
family.
Family.
Oh, okay, all right.
I remember going into a maid cafe alone. I told my
Yes.
parents ki
Bro.
I'll
We
go
have
to
to
this
pick.
region.
Please
I
just
told
stop.
so
Stop.
Akihabara is a place.
Yeah,
I mean,
मुझे भी
You
जाना
could
है.
die right now.
like there's a lot of
Dude,
anime there.
yeah, even I want to go there.
So I went to Akihabara. I told them कि यहाँ पे anime cartoon वाली चीजें होती हैं. So I'll go there one day. And
Oh,
I
and
I
you went
just
alone.
I went to a maid
Akihabara.
cafe.
went to a maid cafe. Hopefully don't they don't hear this. Yeah, if you are
The
hi
weeb
mom.
inside me is rising.
They don't wear that maid
It's not the
costume.
only thing rising.
Then
Yeah,
I
I would
and
assume it to
yeah,
be
I
disappointing.
explored Akihabara that day. It was very nice.
Raghav, they don't wear the French maid costumes.
They do
अच्छा.
properly. They even called me like Master Raghav when I entered and I
Oh
left.
my
Raghav Sama.
I am a
Raghav
level 1
Sama.
master. You if you like go there more times, your level is increased, and at some point of time you
So,
even get your maid's number and stuff.
Oh,
stuff.
hi.
Nice.
Is this,
Oh,
not
that
nice,
is,
it's so silly.
sad है यार.
that's
I
very,
remember. I also
Not
played like
instantly if they
I
offer you
also
their
played
number. Man.
Connect
Is
Four
it just
with her.
prostitution by some other names?
No,
No,
it's
this
not
is not.
prostitution.
No.
They
There's
have
nothing.
SOD for that.
There's nothing of sexual nature involved. That.
Makes sense.
But they do
Just
have
need a
bars
friend to
for
hold
that.
hands
Yeah?
with.
Hmm?
They do have bars for this specific stuff. I remember reading
Yeah.
about it in a book. I think it was Kafka on the
Damn,
Shore.
these Japanese and their
Kafka on
fetishes.
the ship. Yeah.
You've read Kafka
Like
on the
in
Shore?
that,
Shoujo?
Colonel Kennedy came out of nowhere and welcomed the guy to this bar.
Aren't we kinda
Yeah,
backstabbing?
we're
I
going
mean,
off
stepping away
point.
from the track?
No, that's
Yeah, yeah.
fine, I guess. This is fine. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Means I guess we all have talked
It is on
except
Harsh
Vishal.
and Nishita
That
to
वाला
cut it.
part तो in fact जाएगा. But it is the only good thing that has happened until now.
Hmm?
Wait Cafe?
Maid cafe वाला, yeah.
हाँ वो तो definitely जाएगा.
I
वो
mean, yeah,
जाएगा,
obviously
Maid
It
Cafe
this.
was
chill है.
interesting.
This podcast is about anime. Like, how is anime related to Maid Cafe?
And this
वैसा ना.
podcast is
It
about
It is
anything,
fetishes.
brother.
They are biased.
It's about anything that's interesting, most
Moe
likely.
culture is a part of anime.
हाँ.
It's a shit part of the anime culture.
Are we trying to starting our new
Excuse me, we
Okay,
did not ask for more shit
your
take.
opinions to yourself. तुझे maid
Moe
cafe
culture is good. Are you saying that?
छोड़ के जाएंगे
Yeah.
maid cafe.
Hmm.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes.
Have you even
Please,
watched Moe
trap,
anime?
trap.
क्या?
The only moe I know is from Steins Gate.
That is not Moe anime, but okay. Moe can be kind of.
Achikochi, Achikochi, Nondon Biori.
Please. Nekopara is also kind of Moe.
Ah man, Nekopara, who has played the games here? Oh yeah, there's one more
Non-Biori,
thing. No.
the anime that's airing right now.
Yeah, I think the season
Yeah,
2 is
yeah,
airing
yeah.
right now. But
Yeah,
season 1 is
Nekopara?
kind of good.
Okay, I'll watch it.
Nekopara has games, you know that, right? Visual novels.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Visual
we were
novels are text-based,
We know.
text. I mean, अबे तेरे को पता है बे, जनरल पब्लिक को नहीं पता.
Oh, अच्छा अच्छा. General public देखेगी भी नहीं वो लोग, सुनता हूँ.
कोई बात नहीं, still होता है, बताना
ठीक
होता
है.
है.
I mean, visual novels, like, you have novels which are walls of text, right? So visual novels are basically novels, but these are animated walls of text. So it's just a story you play as a character and the story progresses. So yeah,
It is a
kind
novel in which you only press space.
No. If you
No. I'll have to disagree. There are interactive scenes in visual novels as well. But yeah, it's basically a novel with an animated part. Yeah, you can say that.
Hmm.
Okay, Vishal.
Notable exams will be Clannad, DDLC, Crisaya.
Yeah, and DDLC is also like.
DDLC is amazing.
Are you even
DDLC is
watching the-
much more than a VN though.
अरे you guys have, अरे Fate is a VN सबसे बड़ा.
Oh yeah, Fate is.
Fate is
Yeah,
a
and there's
VN.
one more thing. See, it's not like some anime have like Crisaya anime was finished in 3 seasons. And if you see even one volume of one of the series of Crisaya, it's more than 50 hours long. The
Whoa.
first part
That's
of the
pretty
first
long for an
volume.
anime.
A pretty long VN.
Yeah.
That's like nearly 100 episodes.
Yo,
150
Vishal,
episodes.
how did you get
That's
into anime, brother?
Okay.
Yes, bro.
Yes, brother. Just tell us, brother, now.
So my story is that I used to play CSGO a lot those days. I had no other hobby.
Noob.
He isn't a noob.
He used to gamble.
Oh yeah, I was a
Bro.
gambler too. If you want to
He
put that
pro.
on the podcast.
Nice.
Gambler मतलब?
There's the digital skins in the game CSGO.
Oh, अच्छा. got
Yeah,
it.
we can basically trade them. It's like stocks, but
Oh,
for
nice.
dumb people.
Lol.
So I used to play CS:GO and I met this guy on there, and one day all of a sudden, out of the blue, he started spamming me that I needed to watch Death Note, like every other week. Back then, I obviously didn't want to because I think I'd seen DBZ and like I mentioned earlier, because of its airing, I was totally not into it. I found DBZ a little boring back.
Yeah.
Sorry for the take.
I mean, it's completely fine. Your personal opinion, man.
Huh. So yeah, finally after he like spammed me for 10 days or something, I gave up and I decided, all right, I'll give it one episode. And the link was of a subbed anime. It was subbed. So my first anime was subbed.
Yes, Japanese audio.
Yeah, when I started watching
Yeah.
it, my immediate thought was, okay, how am I gonna watch this? This is not enjoyable at all because they were talking in a language that I do not understand, obviously. And so, like you, but I gave it a shot regardless. And after the first episode, I was completely blown away. I was in ninth class back then, and I just what I'd seen was enough to get me hooked. Like, I vividly remember the next day. No, on that day itself, I watched around five episodes, stayed up late. The next day, I had school too. I lied straight through my teeth that I was sick. God. Yeah, so I lied to
That's
watch
some addiction.
Death Note. Got back into my bed, and I think it was the only series I binged in 3 days. 3 days is not a lot for most of you people, I guess. Like
Yes.
3 days is
Not
pretty.
less.
Okay, so yeah. I think I really loved the anime despite L dying.
The criticism for 25 plus episodes.
Yeah, like 25 episode 25 was definitely like a turn off for me because L was definitely my favorite character until then. I'm a very basic weeb regarding this, you know. So
Yeah, you can have normie takes. We don't mind.
I had normie takes back then. I'm very edgy now.
Very edgy now.
Very.
Sounds like every other week.
Edge
Yeah.
Lord.
So like after 25
Arey
episodes,
yaar.
I think I kind of loved the show, but then Nier was introduced, and I hate Nier with every single cell of my body. All his deductions, they were just random shots in the dark, and somehow all of them landed. At the end, I think I was extremely annoyed how it was easy for them to catch Light after L died. I was rooting for Light by the end, and the final arc was so frustrating to go through. So even after the show ended, I felt like I needed closure because Death Note did not leave me that satisfied by the end. It was a good show. I definitely liked it and thought, and okay, yeah, this
Have you watched
anime
the
can be
BB
good.
case files? Death Note ka BB case files.
I don't think so. No.
What is that?
I never even found them back then.
Okay, I mean, that has a light novel slash manga adaptation. So it is like a, you can say, side story or something. It is past of L. How he had worked on the
Okay.
similar murder cases in Los Angeles, the Los Angeles murder cases.
Okay,
Yeah,
I think I've heard
it's
this
like
one.
that.
I thought you were talking about the alternative ending that some fans created.
No, I have no idea about that.
So yeah, after I watched Death Note and I felt like I needed closure, I immediately found out about My Anime List. So yeah, I started
Right.
looking for anime similar to Death Note, and the first anime I stumbled upon was Code Geass.
You can tell about what is my anime list.
Oh yeah, sorry. So My Anime List is basically the IMDb of anime.
Nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
Spot on.
So I don't think.
What exactly did you like about Death Note? Like उसमें ऐसा क्या था that you were hooked? Episode 1 में ऐसा क्या था?
I think coming into anime, what my expectations were like every other, someone who starts with anime, I thought it was cartoon and was not meant for mature audiences. It had light-hearted themes or whatever. But the first episode, I see something, okay, they are trying to brew up a psychological thriller. It's going to be a brain battle between two extremely smart people, and how they like,
Outwit each other. How they are trying to outwit each other.
Yeah, how they try to outwit each other, that was really fascinating to me, and I had no idea that an animated show could be this thrilling.
Now you enjoy slice of life and comedy. Back to monkey.
Yeah.
Hey, even I do that.
Life is life.
Slice of life is the
Life's
best.
life.
Avyansh करेगा ना introduction?
Yes.
Oh, can I just say that everyone should watch Code Geass? I think it has one of the best endings ever in all of anime ever made. So
पता
you need
मुझे
to
ना
watch
spoiler
Code
मिल गया था
Geass.
कि वो बंदा मर
After
जाता है
Ginta.
फिर मैंने देखना बंद कर दिया
I haven't started any of
Gintama's
those.
ending is not as good as Code
No,
Geass,
I
but
तो
the
still
overall
think
anime.
I mean, even I think
600
Lelouch is the best protagonist I've ever seen.
Lelouch is far better than
has
Light
his-
for sure.
He has his
Yeah,
faults, but
is it
yes,
Code
I
Geass
understand.
animation just very bad?
It's not bad. It's not
Not so
bad.
bad,
It's it's a different art style, is what I would say. It's not bad at all.
चलो ठीक है, मतलब that's not even
It's
a turn off for
2007
me.
also.
But लेलूश को सभी कुछ पता रहता है हमेशा, and that's just
No,
very.
that's just not true. If you haven't
Oh,
watched
so
the
that
show, you would
counts,
not
kind of.
understand this.
I don't know, man. I watched like 5 or 6 episodes, and it's always like he goes
Lelouch,
ahead.
Lelouch is sort of OP for the first 15 episodes, I guess, and then everything starts to go haywire even for him. So I think you should give it a shot because, yeah.
15 episodes.
There is one thing I would like to add to that, and that is that most good manga don't get the anime adaptation, or they get shitty anime adaptation. So don't just stick to anime and go try out some manga, light novels, and all that, because they have the actual content. Anime is just a way to publicize their products.
क्या
Yeah.
अच्छा
Yeah,
anime?
and on this, I'd like to add that for manga, you have various sites. For web novels, there's generally these are in Chinese or Japanese. For these, like how MAL exists for anime, there's a website known as Novel Updates. It keeps a track of all the web novels which have been translated into English along with the translators. So you can get an idea. So you can just try it out, the source material itself, if you feel like continuing the anime. And for light novels, you can always search on Reddit or other proprietary websites, or you can just buy it.
Just buy it.
Hmm.
We can have another full episode on the piracy.
Friends, तो
Yes,
बता-
that's the whole reason I'm not giving up any links.
Hmm. Okay.
No
okay.
one mentioned
Can go
star anime.
Which anime?
Fist of the
DXT?
North Star?
Yes,
Fist of the
anime.
North Star, all right.
Acha, kiss anime. Okay. Yeah.
I think I did. Sorry. Anyway, continue.
Yeah.
Avyansh.
अच्छा हाँ. Hello, I'm Avyansh. So how did I get into anime? It's pretty straightforward. मतलब my cousins were into anime way before I was. So they introduced me to Naruto, and मैं जाता था YouTube पे, and I used to. Nee, so basically my device time or internet time, as we used to call it back at our house, was limited to 30 minutes every day. So me and my sister, we used to sit and we used to watch one episode of Naruto every day. So it took us 150 days to complete the first arc Naruto का ending से final तक.
Why did you watch the fillers?
that
Yeah.
is the true
अरे
brain, मतलब
I was in second or third grade back then ना, तब तो fourth
Oh,
generation.
Oof.
that.
मतलब तब
Then
तो
makes sense.
हाँ, so मतलब I was a very stupid little kid ना, तो मैं तो देखता था सारे के सारे fillers, each and every episode.
I
हाँ,
didn't
As a
like
Back
second
then
or
you
third
don't
kid,
need plot, you just need action. You just need people moving.
हाँ मतलब अब
so
तो
do you
I
used to watch dub?
did I used to watch dub or sub?
Yeah,
Well, I'll
how
give
is it
myself the
relevant?
सभी
benefit
देखता
of
होगा.
doubt and say मुझे
it
खुद ही
is
नहीं याद.
second, third में सब नहीं देखते.
हाँ,
हाँ,
but
I
I
how
mean,
is
yeah, it's illogical to assume कि second third में तेरे को समझेगा सब में क्या लिखा है. उतना
ये
इंग्लिश में नहीं पता है अपने को.
ये मैं सटल फ्लेक्स करता हूँ. मैंने थर्ड में हैरी पॉटर पढ़ लिया था, तो मतलब एनीमे का तो पढ़ ही लूंगा मैं सब. नहीं, बट आई थिंक
Okay,
डब ही था, डब
I
ही
take
था.
my words back.
अरे डब ही
I
था.
read Murder on the Orient Express in second class.
nice?
Nice.
ओहो, मर्डर
Actually, I know
सेकंड
who did
क्लास
the
से.
murder पहले से. I didn't like that.
अच्छा,
Your
who
entire
does the
family
murder?
did.
मैंने पढ़ा नहीं. I just started the book once and then I left it.
Okay, yeah, go ahead.
मेरा
बस
हो
इतना
गया
ही.
ब्रो, मेरा एनीमे बैक स्टोरी हो गया, इतना ही था.
अरे तो लाइक उसके बाद
उसके बाद
तो उसके बाद
एक सेकंड के बाद से
want
तू
to-
लगातार देख रहा है, तू कैसे बोल सकता है?
अरे उसके बाद my brother used to come over with his 500 GB का hard drive and he used to give me new anime every time he used to visit.
Was there just anime in that?
Oh.
Asking the real question.
हाँ. I got into
Or so was he supposed to believe.
अरे Avyansh is very pure. He doesn't even watch pornography.
अरे नहीं, मैं घर
वो
के
deny
लैपटॉप
करे, वो
से
प्योर नहीं है.
I would say I was restricted to only anime till 11th or
Deep
12th. मतलब मेरे को तो पता ही नहीं था क्या होता था.
ये hentai exist करता है.
पता ही नहीं होता था.
अच्छा
आज
like
क्या
at
हो
least
गया तेरे
mention
को?
तो कर सकते हैं ना हम कि ऐसा कुछ exist करता है, even though
हाँ हाँ कर सकते हैं, कर
एक्सप्लिसिटली
सकते हैं।
दिखा तो रही है।
God knows.
हाँ।
तो अच्छा, the bigger question, when did you
We
guys
haven't.
get into hentai? मतलब just tell me your grade.
क्या?
9th
When
class.
did you discover hentai?
9.
Okay, so
11th.
When? Seventh.
I
11th.
Seventh.
I stumbled upon hentai by accident in 11th or 12th, but the nuclear codes, I stumbled them. I did not stumble upon them. I searched for them. You know,
Nice.
memes. Internet memes. So I heard about 177013. It was a huge one, and I was not a person who read comics. I'm not a great fan of manga, so I knew I couldn't read that. It's a huge one, so I started looking for the smaller one, and that is
And thus
history.
began this journey.
Is Emergence actually that long? मतलब लंबी है क्या? मुझे लगा छोटी सी है।
हाँ
What am I
बढ़िया
doing?
वो।
And still now, some people here haven't given me the reviews for the one I had asked.
Oh shit. मेरे को पढ़नी है, मैं पढ़ेगा।
मैंने Emergence एक्चुअली नहीं पढ़ी
तेरे
थी, तो
बस
मैं
की
क्या ही
नहीं है कार्तिक, है तो
बोलूंगा।
बहुत वनीला वनीला नहीं तो
मैंने भी नहीं पढ़ी।
हाँ बस मैंने नहीं पढ़ी।
मैंने Emergence के बस मीम देखे हैं।
मैंने एमरजेंस पढ़ी है
Same.
पूरी।
मुझे
मैंने
इसके बारे
Emergence
में
के
Yeah.
और
यार
एनिमेस फॉलो
मेरे लिए
करने
तो
पे
अब
पता चला।
वैसे भी बहुत ज्यादा ट्विस्टेड है वो, मैं देखता हूँ।
नहीं मीन इतनी सैड नहीं है। आई हैव रेड सैडर
इतनी sad
शिट्स।
नहीं है।
अरे
Sad
अभी
का
तो
नहीं
I'm
पता,
reading.
मुझे बस पता है
अभी
ट्विस्टेड।
I'm reading Miss Mystic as a minute, right?
Is it a
Has anyone read Miss Mystic?
नहीं।
नहीं
Yeah, I've heard about it, but I've only read like
Nu-
5-10 chapters.
बढ़िया है, मैं पढ़ूंगा.
I only
nuclear
started
again.
reading hentai
Nuclear है?
like a week ago.
Korean है by the way.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
web-
Shouldn't we tell that anime culture is not exactly limited to Japan? It has been carried out to China and
Yeah.
Korea as well.
लेकिन ज़्यादा
Chinese
detail है
mangas
वो
are commonly known as manhwas.
नहीं,
Shout out to
कोरियन
that one Indonesian
कोरियन
comic.
Korean,
manhwa
Korean.
नहीं है।
Sorry, Korean.
ये how can you spread misinformation bro यार।
मैं कुछ और सोच रहा था, माफ कर दे. I was thinking about the length of ATG and stuff, like these span in 4,000s of chapters.
भाई एटीजी मेरे को सोर्सेज दो उसके नए। मैं मशीन ट्रांसलेशन भी पढ़ने को तैयार है।
Array, I have a website, I have a GitHub link, which
What
scrubs
is
it off
ATG?
for you. Against the gods.
ओके सही, हमको थोड़ा जल्दी जाना है और लेट्स कम बैक। तो
यार
लेट्स जस्ट टॉक कि लाइक व्हाट डू यू सी इन एनिमे दैट यू डोंट सी अदर प्लेसेस में। फॉर एग्जांपल, जस्ट टू गिव यू एन एग्जांपल, व्हाट आई लाइक इन एनिमे, जो मतलब मैं पहले अप्रिशिएट नहीं करती थी शायद इतना, बट अब करती हूँ, इज द फैक्ट कि यू कैन टेक इवन जो बहुत सिंपल साउंडिंग प्लॉट है या डिस्क्रिप्शन है, तुम उसको ले सकते हो एंड यू कैन बिल्ड अ वेरी वेरी गुड एनिमे अराउंड दैट। फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक राघव टॉक्ड अबाउट प्रिंस ऑफ टेनिस, तो उसमें द डिस्क्रिप्शन वाज लिटरली दैट देयर इज अ बॉय एंड ही प्लेज टेनिस। तो सुन के ऐसा नहीं लगता होगा दैट दे कुड डू समथिंग स्पेशल विद इट, बट दे डू एंड अप डूइंग समथिंग स्पेशल विद इट, व्हिच इज समथिंग जो प्रोबेबली शायद लाइव में इतना अच्छा नहीं लगता, एंड बिकॉज बहुत विम्सिकल होते हैं एंड बहुत मतलब दे टेक इट इन अ डायरेक्शन जो probably it won't be taken by the things that people normally see, जैसे जो soaps होते हैं या जो TV series होते हैं। Am I making sense?
Yeah, I
Mhm.
did mention that. I guess.
वो कटेगा, but it doesn't matter if you mentioned it.
Okay. Yeah, I think I get what you're getting at, because like you couldn't execute things like
Hajime no Ippo.
MSMM. Yeah, Hajime no Ippo is a big one. Like, have you ever Hajime no Ippo is a boxing anime. So, have you guys ever watched boxing IRL in real life?
I have, and it's frankly not that fun to watch.
Commonwealth 2010.
You might find it okayish when you watch it as a sport, but when you watch Hajime no Ippo, you get the
No
feeling
way,
that
no way,
boxing
Chloe.
is one of the most intense sports, and like it uses the animation so well and the sound effects that you are immersed into the sport. Those 30 minutes of the sport are breathtaking for you. You sometimes feel like you are not able to breathe watching the guy hit other in the liver or something like that. So it is an experience, in my opinion, that you can't get in other art forms. I think
Yeah,
so. Yeah, anime can be good in some ways, better than manga, but this is the place where it shines when the sound effects come.
I agree.
For anime, I would like to add that our society is bound by certain, rules. Like now, when I said Death Note was my first anime, how it attracted me was like if I get a superpower in which by which I could kill a person by writing his name, I would be bound by the morals of the society. I shouldn't do this. I shouldn't do that. In the Death Note of an anime, I get to see how the guy executed his will. So it is something I wish I could have done, what I could have done. It is something which I wouldn't do because I'm bound by the rules of society. So it shows me the
But
ideal of
But I
life.
think like a counter argument could.
this is why lecturer sees Yuri no because वो खुद नहीं कर सकता but he wants to know.
On that note, I would like
Why
to
do
add
you do
something.
me like that? Why you do this to me?
Because you're not a girl.
On that note, I would like to add something that this series was the story for this was made by Oba Sugumi, and the illustrations were done by Takeshi Obata, and they are a pretty amazing duo. Like Sugumi Oba comes up with very unique and dark stories that make you think in a sense that what is moral, how do we think about society and all that. So I would recommend all his works, and Takeshi Obata is a perfect complement to him by being an artist who can draw out that level of writing by making the dark scenes super good. Like you guys might have seen that Tom Cruise movie called Edge of Tomorrow. That was
Yeah.
based on a Japanese book. I think the title was "The All You Need Is Skill," and that got an manga adaptation with illustration by Takeshi Obata, and the art style is pretty chilling. The imagine Death Note art, but for something like Edge of Tomorrow.
Wow. That's pretty interesting.
Wasn't Live Die Repeat a copy of ReZero?
Hmm?
Live
No.
Die
Live Die
Repeat.
Repeat.
ReZero came way after, I guess. Edge of Tomorrow was 2014.
No, he's talking about Live Die Repeat.
नहीं, I meant Edge
Oh,
of Tomorrow and वही जिसमें
Ah,
comic
yeah,
था.
Live. Oh, okay, so you mean Live Die. Edge of Tomorrow is based on Live Die Repeat, and Live Die Repeat is a copy of Racy Roman.
अच्छा, cool.
Okay.
वैसे anime तो I feel was very unique
And
because
there's one more thing about anime, like even if two animes have the same basic plot, they can branch off into two completely different directions. This is not something
I
you exactly see in mainstream media.
That is a common thing in visual novels, I guess, that you take different routes to the ending.
No, I don't mean that, but sure.
Okay.
Yep. मुझे तो I always loved the magic aspect of anime.
Yeah, man.
You would never have anything else in real life जो मतलब something like Naruto or something like Bleach.
It'd be very
The
hard to
entire
produce, I think.
thing मतलब the grind and then the magic and the explosions. It was
Even if it is even if the magic, like one thing I personally love about anime is think about how the magical system was defined. How is it derived? How does it work? Is
Yeah.
it technological?
I
That's
think we can take
that's not
it up in
specific to
another
anime
episode.
though. That's not specific to anime or manga though.
अरे नहीं, the
No,
thing is
no,
कि it is
Mahoka, if you see, Mahoka has shown that its magic is based on its technological advances. But other series, like if you take any isekai for an example, majority have a fantasy element in it.
Yeah, the RPG thing is growing
Yeah,
pretty stale, IMO.
MMORPG.
Yeah, so I think we can take that up in another episode because there's a lot to discuss about that.
Yes, exactly.
Behavior that I think that the bar for what is acceptable is also बहुत different in anime. Like
Hmm.
kisses
That's due
अगर
to the Japanese culture. Yeah, you could say
Yeah.
that.
Like,
Yes.
Did you know that child pornography wasn't banned? I mean, okay, this is going off topic, but
मतलब
What
uh,
are we talking about?
I
करके
think
जल्दी
it
करो फिर
was
टाइम पूरा
around
हो चुका है।
2010 that possession of child pornography videos was banned in Japan.
Rayplay, if anybody knows that game.
No.
कौन सा?
Rayplay was a game developed in Japan in year 2006 के आसपास. So it's basically follows you as a protagonist whose aim is to rape a woman and her three daughters, one or two of which are underage. So basically, this game was a kind of a hit in Japan because of its culture and stuff, but
Damn.
received international backlash of an unprecedented amount, and it's currently banned outside Japan.
Be banned everywhere.
I know, I have a copy of it.
Oh God.
God.
Okay, we went off topic. What I was saying कि the way anime works, like उसका acceptability थोड़ा अलग होता है, and there is basically a different sense of what is enjoyable and what is not. For example, अगर अभी कोई कैसे sitcom बनाए of kisses का, तो कितना controversial होगा, like you guys can imagine.
Yeah. Like
Yes.
it sort of got a niche
Actually, Moe
audience
is
too.
not very good in
I've been
3D
investing in that
version.
What?
You what?
thing.
राघव थोड़ा बात करना kisses की.
किस एक्सेस?
Kisses. अरे मैं इसलिए बोला था ताकि राघव बात कर सके kisses की.
अरे किस चीज की
मैंने
बात थोड़ा
देखा
करेंगे
actually
उसके अंदर.
कर ले थोड़ी तो कर ले. अरे अब बाद में देखेंगे क्या रखा
No
है.
one knows what it actually is. तो आप कुछ भी बता दो.
किस
हाँ.
एक्सेस? इंसेस्ट?
No,
अरे
it's
भाई.
not incest.
It's not.
Kisses
It is
is about
told in the first episode
kisses
that
is about
they are
two
step
steps.
siblings.
हाँ,
Yeah,
मीन्स ये
two
देखा
step
मैंने.
siblings who are like it's about two sisters who are vying
Twins.
for their. They are two twins who are vying for their stepbrother, and
So it's incest.
I mean
No,
it's
Yeah,
they
I
are
mean,
gunning for the same guy, but
I mean
they
it's
don't
not
do it
like
at the same time.
it's
Most
I
of the
it's
think
time.
not like
मतलब वैसे
it's not like they are related by blood or anything. So
incestuous elements तो like conventional anime में मिल जाते हैं. नीचे मोनोगातारी में है अच्छा खासा.
and the weird thing
I
about
mean,
is
yeah.
this ki their parents and the parents are actually rooting for the twins to woo their
Oh, okay.
brother.
Nice.
They are
हाँ.
Yeah, this is one difference we can see in cultural. See, this incestuous element, it is the Japanese culture allows it. But if you see the Western culture, incest is
Western culture
generally
has a lot
frowned
of
upon.
incestuous porn too.
I mean, porn alag hai, but in general mainstream media, incest is generally frowned upon a lot. So you rarely come
Hmm.
across incest in mainstream media. If you see the Western media.
Yeah, mainstream
But
media में कम आता है.
yeah, Japanese anime, I mean, you can find a ton of those having incestuous elements. And those are perfectly fine with society.
I'm not sure. मतलब थोड़ा viewer base size का भी थोड़ा difference है ना. But yeah, you make a valid point. I think I just like the medium a lot by now. You know, like how every anime or manga differs in art, despite being anime. And plus the fact that there's a huge database of it. Yeah, there's just too many good series out there which I cannot afford to miss. That's what I love about anime. There's too many.
There's one more thing, like, anybody knows the history of
I think one thing that no one pointed out ki
anime?
I like about anime is the
I mean,
one thing I like about anime is the episode length.
It's
Yeah,
22
20 minutes is extremely convenient. Yeah, you could.
It is
I
very.
never really
I
noticed
think
this, but yeah,
yeah, you can watch it anytime whenever you want. It's,
yeah,
can
like
put any. You can just
you
stick
got a
one
lecture
episode in
in
your
you
schedule.
got a lecture in 20. Yeah,
Yeah, I think it's very
That's
convenient that way.
Gintama episode. That's it.
Okay, I think we are going very off topic. हम बात क्या कर रहे थे?
So I guess now we can talk about what do you feel कि IITD में anime culture कैसा है?
it depends on the year, I think.
हाँ year
Because
wise dependent है.
नहीं
2018 बैच का काफी कम था.
Let's not talk year wise. ऐसा differentiate नहीं करते. मतलब पता नहीं I don't think all.
As in
I
general,
don't think he doesn't want to differentiate, but कि वो exist करता है because some years watch more.
हाँ,
Because I
that is
feel
so
like इस year में ज्यादा देखते हैं जो
So
नया
just
fresher batch
talk
आया.
about
हाँ
your
हाँ एग्जैक्टली
There's one more thing.
हमारे बैच में
Anybody knows the history of anime and manga actually?
क्या?
तेरी आवाज कट रही है.
हाँ आवाज
हाँ.
फट रही है
तेरी
नॉट
आवाज
ऑडिबल
कट रही है.
लूपुस मतलब आईआईटी बॉम्बे का
I mean, doesn't know the convention.
यार
लगता है कि
इसको
आवाज
प्लीज 4 बार
कट रही है.
काटने हाँ जितनी बारी वो बोल रहा है.
तुम लोग शुरू करो डिस्कशन अबाउट आईआईटी एनिमे गर्ल्स.
मींस आई गेस अपने एयर में तो काफी लोग देखते हैं अभियांश नहीं.
अरे लेट्स स्टार्ट विद राघव सर पहले आई मीन
यस
यस
राघव सर.
बताओ क्या होता था राघव सर आपके जमाने में
अरे ऐसे I mean I don't know what to say in this. I mean in my if I talk about my hostel, my wing, there were like we are 20 people and like only 2 watched anime when we were in the first year, but by now I guess around 15 or 16 watch anime. So I think many people in my year, I mean from what I have seen, have started watching anime when they came into IIT. I think they got a lot of free time in their first year and started watching like popular shows. And also in the last 4 years, like shows like Attack on Titan, which has been ongoing, and ReZero, I think the famous things which have been ongoing, people also have started watching because of those. Like in my wing, especially because of Attack on Titan, like, some people started watching.
Surprised that he mentioned ReZero.
I mean, it's a popular. I mean, I'm just thinking of whatever popular
It
stuff
is
that happened.
popular, but I don't know why I rarely find people who like ReZero.
I think people like ReZero because they can relate to the MC. I mean, the MC is an idiot, but whatever. I don't think like he's making any wrong decisions.
Yeah.
I think people like ReZero क्योंकि उसकी लड़कियां cute है ना.
No, that's not true.
That
No,
Rem is
watched
extremely cute,
ReZero.
but no. I disagree. I mean,
I don't know मतलब the new season is pretty shitty मुझे तो
What?
मुझे तो पहला सीजन ही अच्छा लगा था सर
see, wait, छोड़ यार. बाद में बात करते हैं इस बारे में. Season 2 is like, यार छोड़. बहुत ज़्यादा better है bro season 1 से.
I don't
बहुत
know
ज़्यादा.
bro
Controversial takes.
Like.
अरे चलो छोड़ो थर्ड इयर्स बताओ व्हाट्स अप मतलब did you feel you were the only anime person or were there a lot of anime people
In my host, okay, Ishita, you start.
तो बोल. Keep it short but बोल.
keep it
In my year, like in our group, maybe 3-4 people, including Ishita, watched anime, and in my hostel, I think only 3 people beside me watched anime out of 70 in my year. At the starting, at least.
Do you note this down somewhere? No. Krishna?
बस इतना था.
Yeah. So I don't think the third year or 2018 batch had a separate inclusive anime group until we guys made one. We refers to Ishita, me, and a couple more lit club reps who made it as an offshoot of Apophis, the literary society house. Is it a society?
Club. हाँ.
Okay, so yeah, we made it as an offshoot of Apophis, which consisted of Satpura, Himadri, and Ginnar. Though the Ginnar later didn't watch anime, but yeah. So there wasn't a lot of inclusive anime groups until that point. I didn't know of any, but I'm a bit of an introverted, socially excluded person. So Ishita might not know more.
मतलब like I do see the difference in years, ठीक है, that you guys talk about. And I think Sayam is right in places where he says कि शायद हमारा year इतना नहीं देखता anime. But पता है, whenever I upload any anime stories, मुझे responses आते हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि कम आते हैं, but मुझे responses आते हैं, which just makes me think कि people in our year do watch anime, but हमारी ऐसी कोई community नहीं है जितना बाकी years के साथ है. मतलब see the situation in our year was कि जैसे तुम लोगों को अभी ऑफिशियल इवेंट्स मिलते हैं एनिमे के. वी जस्ट हैड एन एनिमे क्विज इन लिटराटी, ठीक है. तो एंड अभी राइट नाउ वी आर डूइंग अ पॉडकास्ट. उससे पहले वी हैड लिटिल टू नो एनिमे इवेंट्स. देयर वाज हमारे ईयर में एक एनिमे इवेंट था जो लिट क्लब ने एज अ क्विज रखा था, बट इट वाजंट अ फॉर्मल इवेंट. इट वाज अ नॉन कॉम्प इवेंट जो कुछ कुछ रेप्स ने डिसाइड किया कि चलो यार कर ही लेते हैं.
That was in our second year. In our first year, there was no event actually.
हाँ, फर्स्ट ईयर में तो देयर वाज नो एनिमे इवेंट. सेकंड ईयर में भी मतलब हम जो रेप्स थे हमने डिसाइड किया था कि एक क्विज रखते
And there were two quizzes, one by QC club
मेरे
and
मेरे
Q club
फर्स्ट ईयर
and
में एक क्विज थी.
Hmm?
मेरे फर्स्ट ईयर में एक क्विज थी.
हैं. अच्छा,
So yeah, 2017 reps were stupid. They didn't keep any anime quizzes.
ओके, हम
probably.
ये पार्ट नहीं रख सकते, बट ठीक है. मतलब
Okay, I would like to add on to that that there are a lot of CS people who used to, who watch anime. Like I got to know about them watching anime in my second year only. There are about at least 10 guys whom I know
Closet
that
peeps.
watch anime, but they are not part of any community. Like they don't talk about anime regularly, and I was the first guy in this CS department who talked openly about it and used to recommend stuff and all that. They were kind of closeted about anime because
Closet
I don't.
peeps.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
that
yeah,
is
there's
a pretty common phenomenon.
हाँ, see मतलब the thing is कि when things are in your hands, like event भी लिट क्लब वाला जो हमारे ईयर में क्विज हुआ था वो आशीष ने करवाया था. ये एनिमे क्विज मैंने और आशीष ने करवाया है. संयम ने एनएसएस में रिलीजियसली बहुत एनिमे मूवी स्क्रीन करवाई है, राइट. सो लाइक देयर इज, इट डिपेंड्स. व्हाट आई वांट टू से इज कि एनिमे कल्चर इज नॉट सस्टेनेबल थ्रू आउट द इयर्स, ठीक है. इट्स अगर तुम्हें 3-4 लोग मिल रहे हैं जो शायद ये कल्चर स्प्रेड करना चाहे, जो या ज़्यादा एक्नॉलेज करना चाहे इस कल्चर को, तब यू कैन हैव इवेंट्स. तब तुम्हें दिख सकता है कि तुम्हारे कॉलेज का एक एनिमे कल्चर है. बट व्हाट आई गेट द इम्प्रेशन फ्रॉम जूनियर्स इज कि अगर तुम लोग एनिमे देखते हो ना तो एटलीस्ट यू टॉक अबाउट इट. हम लोग वी आर जस्ट, we couldn't be more uninterested in that sort of thing, is what I get.
There's also the thing that when I got into college, I was completely closed off. I did not used to talk with people about anime or anything because there was a lack of a place to talk about anime. Like I had a couple of friends in school who used to watch anime, but um, I wasn't that comfortable about talking with them about it because it felt as if what if they will judge me for my tastes. So I
Yeah.
got over that by just being hyperactive on the group, by making it and acting like the, I don't know, stupid idiot that I don't know. If you have been in the group since the start, you know how I've been. We'll
Please
cut this part.
you are saying.
Hmm?
कुछ नहीं. अच्छा तो तुम लोग बात करो अपने ईयर के बारे में.
यार हमारे ईयर में तो आई थिंक बन ही गया था एनिमे ग्रुप, ये वाइफू क्लब
तो
69.
लाइक प्रॉब्लम यही है ना कि
अरे बहुत सारे
our
क्लब
culture
ग्रुप्स थे यार
mostly
अपने वहाँ तो.
existed
What?
in WhatsApp groups.
अच्छा, एक
Hmm.
सेकंड, लेट मी गेट इट स्ट्रेट. तुम्हारे एनिमे क्लब का नाम है वाइफू क्लब 69.
It was Waifu Club 69.
मतलब
It
So
is
you
owned
know
by
जिसको
Kimochi.
that is what I mean when I say कि anime culture of IIT Delhi is not at all inclusive to girls.
अच्छा
नहीं, there are
कैसे
girls in the group.
The group that we currently have is not inclusive
I'm
for
not in that
girls.
group. मैं कभी गया ही नहीं उस ग्रुप में, मुझे पता
तेरे को
नहीं.
ऐड करना है बता.
नहीं,
नहीं,
इतना इंसल ग्रुप में नहीं आना मेरे को ब्रो.
मतलब नहीं, that is a serious topic that वैसे I wanted to cover कि जैसे अभी हम 7 लोग हैं and I am still the only girl here despite the fact कि podcast वाला idea was put in a group where there are 70 people, है ना?
Actually,
Yeah, but like
अरे
you are
is
देखो
inclusivity
सर
the
general
problem?
वैसे
इसको
आपके बस
रेशियो
10
a lot
में
of
कितने लड़कियां?
No, wait, can we just say कि लड़कियां कम ही देखती हैं? मतलब मैंने तो यही
Obviously,
नोटिस किया है.
obviously.
नहीं,
कम
लड़कियां
देखने
कम
से
नहीं
They'd
ज्यादा
rather
they don't
watch
tell.
Friends or Brooklyn Nine-Nine or
They
something
don't
like
tell.
that.
They don't tell. कि they're like the boys are like, hey, you are also degenerate. I'm also degenerate. Let's talk about degenerate shit. Girls are like, oh no, this person will judge me so much, and they won't talk about this.
Okay, being a girl,
no,
I would just like
no.
to say that that is not what girls think. Okay,
Okay, I'll have
put
to
it out there.
point something out in that.
he feels so
Not
betrayed at this
everyone is
moment.
like, I'm a degenerate, you are a degenerate, and all that. And the second point, in my school, there were a lot more girls who were into anime rather than boys who were into anime. I don't know if it is because IT and IT people are more closed off or what, but I think it is because of that culture that we live in, or
Yeah.
the IT is a place that doesn't promote a lot of extracurricular activities
What
and
does it promote except mugging?
watching different stuff.
Very
Like,
topic. Let's come back.
Which college
Can't
will
discuss
promote
what
what?
IIT promotes.
मुझे भी नहीं आ रही ना आवाज विशाल.
हाँ, आ रही थी
आ रही है.
बीच में.
can you repeat it, Shita? तू क्या बोल रही?
No, मैं बस ये बोल रही थी कि in general, मतलब perhaps it's not just limited to IIT Delhi. Perhaps it's like बहुत widespread problem, but there is often बहुत ज़्यादा talks of people of anime that is shonen or that is catered to men. ठीक है? There's often not a lot of talk of anime that is catered to women. It's because हम लोग देख लेते हैं जो लड़के देखते हैं, ठीक है, but लड़के नहीं देखते जो हम देखते हैं. Like I can talk about Attack on Titan. Yeah, I can talk about Death Note despite not having seen more than 5 episodes.
Okay, I have a personal attack on that, but I won't go into that.
तो क्यों interrupt किया?
If you
जब
like
तक
shoujo,
बोला
is
था
that
उसने?
liking नहीं? Why shoujo तो मतलब they are targeted towards young girls. So why not talk
Exactly.
about them?
So that is inherently a problem कि shoujo anime इतने famous नहीं होते. Despite even if वो अच्छे हैं, वो still famous नहीं होते. Like how many
I think
They-
you are
they-
wrong on
आपने
that
आपने नहीं
because
देखे
there
मैंने
are a
recommend
couple
करे.
million or I can top 30 which are shoujo every year.
Fruits Basket, Natsume Yuujincho.
अरे अच्छा
ना,
अच्छा
ना.
ये रुको, अब हम लोग ट्रू फेमिनिज्म पे जा रहे हैं, तो ये बताओ कि व्हाई इज इट कि शोजो एनिमे आर एसोसिएटेड विद गर्ल्स?
क्योंकि वो डेमोग्राफिक उनका वही है.
हाँ
That's
तो
what
shoujo
shonen
means
means.
कि लड़कियाँ. Shoujo
Why?
means that.
Okay,
It's
let's not
Japanese
get into
translation.
that topic, please.
हाँ ये
If
discussion
we-
थोड़ा
Let's keep
ज़्यादा.
it for another time.
Yeah,
in a
stop
truly
it,
equal
yeah.
society there should be
That is a
no
big topic.
distribution of
हाँ,
मतलब
gender neutral.
Demographic is a big topic, and I have a lot to talk about that. So let's keep it in
This is why we should watch
another
Full Sail.
episode.
मतलब देखो my point is even if there is a shoujo anime that is famous, for example Madoka Magica, ठीक है, it is easily
It is not a shoujo anime. How many times I have pointed that out?
उसके नाम में है Mahou Shoujo Madoka Magica.
Because it means magical girls. Because the anime has magical
ठीक है,
girls. It
जो
is not a
से
shoujo anime.
Okay.
even if
थोड़ा
it's
थोड़ा
jose
completely
anime,
रहने
jose means it's
It is not jose, it's seinen. Proper
दे.
seinen.
अरे यार.
okay, ठीक है.
अरे बोलने दो ना उन्हें. ठीक है.
You
चलिए,
can
let's
respect
talk about-
personal views.
That's why I'm saying another episode on this because it is a deep topic.
No. Okay, never mind. छोड़ो. हाँ, so हम अपने ईयर के कल्चर की बात कर रहे थे ना. हाँ, so हमारा कितना ही एग्जिस्ट करा है वैसे तो, लाइक वी बेयरली स्टेड इन कैंपस, बट जब तक कैंपस में था आवर एनिमे कल्चर वाज व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स ओनली. पीपल बेयरली टॉक अबाउट एनिमे.
No.
आई थिंक नो, एटलीस्ट मैं अपना बता रहा हूँ. दैट्स कंप्लीटली फाइन. लाइक मेरे जो एनकाउंटर्स थे विद एनिमे, आई थिंक I played Renai Circulation in MES once. Really nice. So
Legend.
I once played Puru Puru Purorin in MES, if that counts. But I used to play Japanese songs every day, so it was kind of normal for
So
me.
after
But
I
Puru Puru
played
Purorin was a
Renai Circulation, there were I think 2 guys. They asked me if I'd seen Naruto.
इसकी
Naruto
story
Divya?
हमारे पास भी है, बट ठीक है, कार्तिक की तो पहले बता, फिर बताएंगे।
क्या?
तो को कुछ बोलना है अपने ईयर के कल्चर के बारे में?
Means देखो, it was like कि openly talk तो I guess 2-3 लोग ही करते हैं, मीन जितनों को मैं जानता हूँ, और
वही
else
अब
ना,
भी
पूरा
आज के
व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स
barely
पे था।
barely बात करते हैं लोग
बेयरली बात
anime।
करते हैं, मीन्स जो 2-3 को मैं जानता हूँ वो बस एनिमे पे बात करते थे। इट्स लाइक कि बाकी सब लोग व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स ओनली।
लाइक संयम।
हाँ
So
वो
like
भी आ गया।
there were a few discussions around anime after you guys screened Mononoke Hime and Grave of the Fireflies. That was really nice. उसके बाद we did have some conversations about anime in Mess वगैरह. So thanks for
good to
that.
know.
No, I was just digging closet people out of their closets.
Oh,
Yeah, I mean, there's a one my like in for a like see now there's like now it's an online semester, so basically you cannot meet each other. So like the a way to identify fellow weebs would be like in my first year it was like people used to identify each other on basis of their profile pictures. कि अबे इस बंदे का profile picture is a weeb like thing. Let me ask him,
oh,
is
yeah.
he into weeb and stuff? And
Yeah, I
then a
won't
group,
lie.
a community started forming, and then we started seeking out. कि, okay, as this person, and we met in lectures or we met somewhere, and then the discussions started like, oh, have you seen this or have you seen that? And so that's how it grew.
I would have
Yeah.
liked to ask about Kotaro, but I think it is personal.
Okay, मैं आपको DM कर
I
दूँ.
won't lie, but अभी भी अगर if I see someone with a profile picture of Kaneki, I cringe inside.
Ah, okay, cringe. I agree on. I very much agree on
ये
that.
टोक्यो वो बहुत पीक पे था यार, एक पॉइंट पे the
Hey,
Tokyo.
my
वो भी
profile,
बहुत
Tokyo
ज्यादा
my
is
फेमस
still,
है।
I
hey,
think,
my profile
top
picture
5
is a
most
cat,
popular
man.
anime ever.
Mine
क्या?
is also a cat, but anime cat.
नहीं, मेरी तो
Mine is
normal cat है.
Aqua, but it's pretty.
तो अच्छा, I was telling ना एक बार, तो when we were in first year, तो NEN होता था ना, तो NEN में you had to have कुछ lectures and then last में you'd see like an educational movie see. ठीक है, तो तुम्हारे ईयर में तो नहीं हुआ होगा, ठीक है, बट हमारे ईयर में ऐसा होता था कि लास्ट में यू हैव टू सी अ मूवी एंड उसके बाद पिज्जा पार्टी होती थी, जो कि हमारी नहीं हुई, बट इट्स फाइन।
हमारी
Okay,
हमारी
I
हुई थी।
think I'd like to point one thing
मेरी
out
हुई थी।
that we had it at the end of sem 1. So yeah, as Karthike mentioned, he had that.
ओके, तो मतलब तो राइट, सो आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट द एजुकेशनल मूवी ना, तो सी एनईएन में व्हाट द गुड थिंग वाज कि द ओनली एक्टिव पीपल वर मी, संयम एंड 2-3 और हमारे
Harsh.
फ्रेंड्स जो कि they used to see anime with us, so that was a coincidence I think. तो when we were talking about ऐसे educational movies ना, तो कुछ तो
Kimi no
बहुत,
Nawa.
you're not supposed to
Yes.
reveal it. मैं बता रही हूँ यार, एक एक करके chronology बतानी होती है।
Let's start again, sir. कोई नहीं.
कोई बात नहीं,
No.
सुनो। ओके, बस ठीक है। तो when we started discussing कि क्या-क्या movies देख सकते हैं हम, तो ऐसे cliched opinions तो आए कि फॉरेस्ट गम देखते हैं या जूली एंड जूलिया और whatever that movie is, I don't know the name. तो then we said कि चलो किमी नो नावा देखते हैं, ठीक है। So prof naturally asked कि मूवी किस बारे पे, because he wanted to ensure कि थोड़ी ऐसे moral वाली मूवी होगी, थोड़ी सीख
I think I made some stuff up at that point that it is about transcending space and
don't take
time.
my credit. तो
I did that, but okay, continue.
फिर संयम तू बोलता है कि जल्दी करो, बट फिर तू चीजें से इंटरप्ट करता है जो तुझे पता है कि नहीं जाएंगी अंदर।
ठीक है, continue कर।
तो फिर तो we just made up कि it is a बहुत ऐसे spiritual movie about a girl who's from this town that she hates, but then once her town is in some danger, then she decides to give up everything to save the town and its people, and we just made it sort of really senti सा, so the professor could be convinced कि हम लोग किमी नो नावा स्क्रीन करा ले। So
Good on you guys.
हाँ, तो that was I think the most, sadly I think the most significant part of my first year is कि हम लोगों ने किमी नो नावा स्क्रीन कराई थी एनईएन में, which was genuinely very enjoyable.
I want to know the prof's reaction on that morning wood scene.
या ये पार्ट भी कट हो गया, जल्दी
नहीं,
करो
वो
प्लीज।
पार्ट शायद ना कटो, देखते हैं। तो हाँ, तो किमी नो नावा वैसे तो पूरी की पूरी इट्स वेरी PG-13, ठीक है, except that scene, like that
Morning
particular
wood.
Except a couple of scenes where he realizes that he's in a girl's body rather than his own body.
हाँ, तो
The book press.
हाँ, ये वर्ड नहीं रख सकते आप, ठीक है,
ये कट होगा,
इसलिए
इसलिए मैंने ऐसे फ्रेम
that
किया था।
अरे
हाँ
वो
हाँ
आ गया, अटैक ऑन
तो
टाइटन का नया
like the
एपिसोड आ
prof
गया।
didn't see पूरी entire
Oh,
movie,
yeah.
उसने नहीं देखी, ठीक है, उसने
He
बस
did watch the entire movie. He went out for some time to take a break, but yeah, he was pretty perplexed about what the actual rating for this movie was.
again, Sayam, why do you interrupt if you know it's not going to be in that?
एक सेकंड, क्यों? मैं सही तो बोल रहा हूँ, मैं बीच में मैं ऐड नहीं कर सकता क्या?
कर सकता है, but add good things. Like तूने
मैं
अभी
सही
भी
से भी ऐड कर रहा हूँ, कुछ गलत भी नहीं बोल रहा, ठीक बोल रहा हूँ सर।
अच्छा ठीक है। तो basically what happened कि he was absent, ठीक है, Apparently, उनकी ग्लैंस हमेशा तब जाती थी जब वो वाला सीन ऑन होता था, ठीक है, एंड देन इट वाज अ वेरी फनी सिचुएशन कि बिकॉज एग्जैक्टली वो वाले सीन पे प्रोफेसर देख रहे हैं एंड देन प्रोफेसर मूवी को पॉज करवाते हैं, फिर वो हमसे पूछते हैं कि यार इस मूवी की रेटिंग क्या है ये बताओ, तो वी ट्राई टू कन्विंस द प्रोफेसर कि सर प्रोफेसर तो मूवी तो PG-13 है, इट्स नॉट एन एडल्ट मूवी, ऐसे ऐसे, बिकॉज प्रोफ को तो ऐसा लग रहा होगा ना कि हम लोग एडल्ट मूवी स्क्रीन करवा रहे हैं एनी एंड में, बट ऑल इन ऑल द रिएक्शन दैट आई गॉट फ्रॉम माय क्लास, एटलीस्ट जिन्होंने मूवी देखी थी, दे सेड दैट द मूवी वाज प्रीटी गुड एंड द मूवी इज गुड, लाइक इट्स वेरी फेमस एंड इट्स फेमस फॉर अ रीजन.
It's a gateway drug.
It's a what?
It is a gateway drug.
No, I wouldn't say that.
No, it is. I have introduced
I
ton
remember
of
watching
people.
it.
It is
I have
not a
introduced
drug.
ton of
It is
people.
more like a one-time
Oh,
experience
The
that
term
you can
gateway
leave out.
drug is used for things that can get you into something.
No. That's what I'm saying. I've showed it to a couple of people. They liked it, and then they didn't watch anime at
No,
all.
that's anecdotal evidence. I've shown quite a few people Kimi no Na wa and they really liked it and got into anime.
हाँ, मतलब किमी नो ना वा बहुत ऐसे वैसी यूनिवर्सल सी मूवी है which is going to be liked by almost everyone.
Yeah.
Even if it's not their favorite movie, it is still a very good movie. मैंने जितने भी लोगों को दिखाई है, मैंने बहुत लोगों को दिखाई है,
It's
almost
great for
everyone-
introducing people to anime.
Exactly. Sort of like Death Note type का. Death Note
Yeah,
is actually very
exactly.
good to introduce people to
Death
anime.
Note breaks your preconceptions. Kimi no Na wa doesn't do that. It only showcases
can
the
do that.
power of
We-
animation and art
we-
style.
We understand that you do not like Kimi no Na wa as much.
I like Kimi no Na wa, but I don't like how overhyped it is.
Even Death Note is overhyped.
हाँ, all good things tend to be overhyped.
Okay, guys, I want to ask, you got into IIT, right? So the people who had your company before getting here, and the people who have your company after you got here, what do you think? Who was more receptive about this anime culture of yours?
I think
think-
IIT people.
I'm divided on that because I
Depends.
had only
That-
3-4 friends before IIT, and 2 out of them watched anime, and one is a bigger weeb than all of us combined. So I don't know.
I think it also depends upon where you come from. So
Yeah,
you were in
because
Delhi.
my school had a substantial anime culture, not as much as our group, but it was better than ITD. I can say that for sure.
और कुछ हम लोग कवर कर सकते हैं क्या?
I mean, वो हमें एडिटिंग के बाद देखना पड़ेगा कि क्या कवर करने हैं और
I'm not sure इसमें से
I'll depend on you for that, Ishita. Thank you very much.
अच्छा, but
He
अभी
just needs to add.
अब मैं रिकॉर्डिंग पोस्ट कर दूं?
Vishan, he just needs to
I
add.
didn't add anything actually. What-
मैं रिकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप कर दूं?
नहीं पहले सोच लो
चलने दो,
और
चलने
बोलते हैं.
ठीक.
Do you want to just talk about the latest season of AOT just for clout?
No.
I think we should
That's
do a
very
separate episode on AOT.
Raghav was क्या?
हाँ, let's watch AOT वाला एपिसोड, फिर मैं सोने चले जाऊँ.
साथ में देख लेते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं?
हाँ हाँ वही अभी देख लेते हैं सब लोग यार.
I'd
अभी
like to
आपने
see
देखा
that.
मैंने
Sorry about that.
मैंने AOT S1 भी नहीं देखा.
Bro.
Oh,
Good for you. It
as a
is
Arey,
kid,
if you have
what
watched
is
anime,
you
you
and
अरे
must
me
अरे
like
being
that.
next
anime
next
heads?
episode we should do that anime A to Z wala game. That's very fun.
हाँ हाँ
Okay.
हाँ
I don't
हाँ
remember. I think
मजा
Let's
आएगा.
my last anime was about 8 months ago.
अरे anime
I
The
A to
pain.
Z.
For me,
You
it is
know,
kind of
I think
similar.
you
I
know
haven't
it.
इंक्लूड
watched
होती है.
any new anime for a long time.
सुनो I want some
So now,
material, ठीक है, because I'm not sure उसमें से अभी कितना निकलेगा. तो let's just 5 minutes, let's just talk about the latest season of AOT या AOT in general and what do you think about it, ठीक है?
यार प्लीज Aishita ये मत कर प्लीज.
5 मिनट बोला
I
यार
think
मैंने. I
I think
swear
we
इतना
should
मन नहीं
edit it
रहेगा.
first and then see what else
यार
is left.
उसका ना सुन टाइम नहीं है इतना. एंड ऑनेस्टली द कंटिन्यूटी जो अभी है एंड एडिटिंग के बाद होगी माइट नॉट बी देयर बिकॉज नॉट एवरीवन माइट
Okay,
बी.
okay, let's talk about it.
हाँ तो लेट्स कुछ भी रैंडम बोल दो मुझे, बस 1-2 मिनट का मटेरियल भी निकल जाएगा तो चलेगा.
क्या AOT का?
हाँ AOT.
Guess I'll start.
So what do you guys think about the latest season of Attack on Titan?
Its opening is pretty mediocre compared to the previous season's
ओ
Linked
भाई
Horizon openings,
true.
which
It was
were
pretty
Yeah,
similar.
that
ambitious,
They were
like,
pretty good.
ओपनिंग इतनी तो
no,
अच्छी है उसकी.
No,
it's
it
not
is not.
mediocre.
Linked
It's
Horizon
not as
made
good
pretty
as
good.
season 1, season 2, or season 1 or
Gurren,
season 2.
no Yumiya or whatever the season one opening was, set the music tone for the whole anime. The last season, I'll give credit to the last season for having the same music director or whatever the thing is called, music composer, Hiroyuki Sawano. I think that was his name because his music is
that's
legendary.
legendary.
नहीं यार बट पता है सही, दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाई आई लाइक ये वाली ओपनिंग. मतलब आई एग्री कि इन आइसोलेशन शायद सबको नहीं पसंद आएगी, बट द थिंग
Hmm.
अबाउट सीजन 1, सीजन 2, सीजन 3 की ओपनिंग्स वाज दैट कि तीनों
Repetitive.
इतनी ज्यादा सिमिलर है. मतलब
Yeah, that does happen. The same thing happened with the Haikyuu endings or openings. I think it was the openings. They were done by the same group. Um, I think it was Burnout Syndromes. And after season two, all I could see was that they were so similar that I didn't like the other anime openings. But Shinzo Sasageo did feel like a repetition, but it was pretty good.
Shinzo Sasageo could be my national anthem and I would stand for it.
मतलब
Katyusha.
it does get boring na at times. So
Yeah,
like
yeah.
that is why I appreciate the season 4 वाली
I
opening. because
definitely do too.
if you see season 1 की opening Gurren no Yumiya and if you see the season 4 की opening, वो इतनी different है that you begin to appreciate that the anime has come to a faraway point. Like you see the development because
Yeah, it
season 1
also
On that note, I would like
encompasses
to
the
add
darker
something.
themes that are included in the last season.
exactly
Yeah.
season
But
political है.
but I'd like to add something on that. There was when the opening was launched, the official lyrics were not given, and so the people were trying to listen to the opening and trying to figure out what the lyrics were.
Oh, you mean the La Vidas part?
Yeah. And
Yeah.
so the people started making up lyrics that made sense in the context of the manga, but later on, the artist himself said that he was spouting bullshit. Or I'll change the word. He was saying random words like so. The fans tend to overhype the thing and try to make out conclusions from the opening when there are none. But the part about the children clinging to the coins was pretty good. I'll say that.
Also, the last scene zooming into Eren while Monster is being shouted in the background. That's
I
a great
think
scene.
Monster is being said.
Yeah, they do say Monster at the end while zooming in on Eren.
Interesting.
I just remember that they never said justice. It's Rastis or something.
Oh, maybe. No, it sounds like Monster.
Okay, so let's move on from the opening. What do you actually think about the season? How do you think it's coming out to be?
I'm divided. I
Compared to
really like the first
the
5
Bit Studio.
episodes. I really like the first 5 episodes, like until the reveal when they're in the basement.
Hmm.
After that,
yeah.
I think the Warhammer Titan fight was really good. The Nutcracker
Hey,
scene.
you're giving spoilers
Oh, sorry,
now.
but they should
Okay.
watch it. They should have watched it by now.
Yeah.
Okay, let's
Film
talk
good.
about general things then. The adaptation was a letdown uh,
Why
compared
do
to
you think
the
it's a letdown?
Bit Studio thing because Bit Studio adaptation because the Titans were not animated. Uh, I think the Titans looked faker, if you could say that. The Titans did not have that sense of. They did not give that sense of horror anymore because they looked like the cheap computer games
I think it
stuff.
didn't
So,
give a
like,
sense
that's
of
the
horror
first
because
episode,
we've
right?
seen
The
them for
first
3
episode.
seasons.
Yeah, that's the thing. After season 3, if you are binging
No, wait.
at this point,
If
if you are watching AOT, you are gonna binge it. You are gonna go through season 1 through 3 in say like a week or two, and then you are gonna be disappointed by the season 4 Titans
I
for sure.
personally don't see anything except the Beast Titan. Except the Beast Titan, they all look good.
No, there are a couple of scenes where the
No,
other
in the
Titans
first
don't
episode
look good.
itself, I think the Colossal,
Eren
the
doesn't.
Armored
Eren doesn't
Titan.
look good as the Attack Titan.
Okay, the Armored
That
Titan in episode 1, he looks way better than Wit ever made him look, in my opinion.
I
It,
actually
it had
appreciated
so
the
much movement.
time because like Reiner ke chehre pe all of that stress that happened.
Yeah, that depends on not on the studio but actually on the manga because the source material is so depressing. And a side note on that, the Hajime Yama likes Reiner the most out of the whole cast, and if you have seen the anime, you know how hypocritical that is, considering how much Reiner suffers.
So how is that hypocritical?
Reiner also made
Ah,
them.
He likes Reiner the most, and um, I
Arey,
think
so you
we all know how much
for
Reiner suffers. He just wants to die, and people are like, "Come back and help us out."
Just because he's a dead inside character doesn't mean.
Yeah, like
doesn't mean
if
कि you
the
can't like
first 4 episodes set the tone very firmly for the Reiner depression thing. You can see it in his eyes that
Reiner
he just wants to
best human out there. मतलब
die. No,
सबसे ज़्यादा humane था.
uh,
अरे
if you have
इस
read the
He
manga, you
regrets
know,
के लिए
इस चीज
I
के
would
बारे में
like to
डिस्कशन नहीं है कि कौन सा कैरेक्टर अच्छा है कौन सा कैरेक्टर बुरा है जस्ट इट्स अ डिस्कशन अबाउट सीजन 4 ऑफ एओटी खत्म ठीक है
So I'll give points to
okay
season
guys.
4 for having Hiroyuki Sawano and handling the some of the panning shots were well done, and I think mainly the
Panic
soundtrack
shots
is the
are
most appealing thing for me.
rotoscoping is adventurous anyway, so I have props to them for trying that.
Yeah, that is another change, but mm, it is hard for studios, so I wouldn't complain a lot about animation. I didn't like it, but I wouldn't put the entire blame on Mappa Studio, even though they gave it to the second most skilled team of the studio rather than the first team. The
They
first
also
team
had a very
was,
tight schedule to work on, so
yeah,
and
that's also true. Bit
it's
Studio also
Corona.
had that problem, and a lot of people got burned out and quit because of that.
Yeah, and also it's Corona.
कोई और
Um,
बोल लो प्लीज थोड़ा अजीब लगेगा अगर बाकी नहीं बोल रहे राघव और कार्तिकेय नहीं देखते क्या एओटी
कार्तिकेय तो
मेरे को
अभी नहीं
याद नहीं
देखता
है मेरे को
राघव
S1 to C दोबारा
राघव
देखना
सब
है
देखते हैं
तो जस्ट
थोड़ा
टेल
जल्दी
मी
प्लीज.
पहले के सीजन्स कैसे लगे थे थोड़ा सा
मेरे को
एक
मूवी याद नहीं है
वाओ तो कोई बात नहीं हम ही बोल रहे थे कुछ
Hmm. I
मतलब
Would
personally
you like me to
really
add
like
anything?
season
Because
4.
I've been speaking continuously for a long time.
हाँ मतलब आई थिंक हो सकता है कि द टोन ऑफ सीजन 4 इज वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द टोन ऑफ फर्स्ट 3 सीजन्स मतलब एक तो है
Hmm.
that it is more political in nature and because
No.
It's more dialogue heavy too.
I think in the fourth season, basically in the third season, you are rooting for the island side, na?
हाँ
In the fourth season, you
Yeah.
know that both of them are basically the same.
But
Listen,
the
There
season
is no
2,
villain,
the
there is
thing
no
is that
bad, there is
it
no good or
goes through.
bad here. I think
listen,
the anime
okay.
is a little. I mean, I think like people who read manga have like told me that the anime is a bit over dramatized and a bit biased
I
toward
don't
the
think there's personally anything wrong with
and
it. I like to root for a side,
yeah,
and
I
I
also
think
like to
even
root.
now I'm
I don't think
rooting
there is
for this
anything bad in that.
Arey, how are you
parody
defending
team.
the Marley wala people after so long?
Hmm?
मतलब after so long, मतलब वो the Marlians were क्या था? They were
Marley
subjugating
are the people.
Eldians ना?
हाँ,
हाँ, so मतलब हाँ, मतलब ठीक है. So the people in the walls का तो perspective is pretty sorted. मतलब everybody is out there to kill them and they want to survive. है ना ना?
हाँ,
But मारले वाले लोग तो पूरा exploit ही तो कर रहे हैं. मतलब
Hmm.
मतलब
yeah,
giving
On
people
that
this
note, I would
disrespect.
say that just wait for the anime to be completed, because as someone who has read the manga, it can
ये
be
तो
a bit
spoilers दे रहे
underwhelming
हो.
later. No, I'm not gonna give any spoilers, but
I
I'll just
don't
say
know.
don't be
I
overhyped for it. It is gonna go downhill from here.
I don't really trust manga readers now
Downhill
because
from
they
here.
told me that the key reveal scene was going to be underwhelming, but I really liked it. So
कौन
No,
सा?
I didn't say that. I said that
no,
it
not you,
was a
not you. I didn't even know back when season 3 part 2
अच्छा.
was airing, I guess.
yeah. So I actually read the whole manga between episode 3 and episode 5, I think.
Hmm.
So
So I think yeah, like season 4 overall has been really good so far. Until the fifth episode, it was
it will go downhill. I'll
absolutely
just say that.
amazing. Seventh episode, yeah, it was pretty good. Season 3 part 2 is still better in my eyes, but season 4 is definitely something you should not miss right now.
I mean the season three part two where they take the decision between saving. I think that's one of my
Yeah, season 3
favorite.
part 2 will go down as one of the greatest
Yeah,
seasons of anime ever made, I think.
yeah.
Again, mixed opinions because
Same.
controversial.
Also, also
I
that
would
part
suggest
where
that after watching the entire series, you go through the manga once.
हाँ बाबा.
राघव कुछ कह रहा था. राघव क्या कह रहा था?
I think also the part where Erwin decides to die and
Yeah.
and
Erwin,
and
During
just
season 1.
charge the whole army into
like what
towards the Beast Titan.
I'm the
That was also
biggest
amazing.
Gintama simp ever, but I still don't think there's a better scene than Erwin charging.
Eren charging at what?
The Beast Titan.
The Beast Titan. When they were
When did
playing
he charge at
baseball
Beast
with him.
Arey, he charged at Beast Titan so that Levi can kill others.
हाँ. He did.
Titan? Oh,
And
I
he
thought
gets baseball.
Eren
That's
instead
how
of
he
her.
dies. Sorry.
I thought
sorry.
Eren instead of her. Sorry about that.
That's how he gets baseballed, man. Holy shit.
I thought Eren. So I was like, Eren did not have any moments like that where he charged another person. The only
Yeah,
moment
so
I remember from Eren is the
Eren,
Ranger skill, and that is pretty
Eren has
amazing.
also evolved from typical shonen protagonist to like.
He has
he's the
just got
seinen
his.
protagonist
He's
now.
like a normal.
Eren तो
He's
Chad
the
हो
seinen
गया.
protagonist.
Just
Eren to
look at
Chad.
him now.
Eren to hot.
Chad हो गया with
He
his.
has
हाँ
just
हाँ.
become
हाँ,
more
And
edgy.
muscular.
उसकी जो half pony है यार बहुत सही है. Like finally something that kid
Bro,
is.
like last, I think जो
He's
recent
hotter than Mikasa now.
जो recent
Let's
episode
just
आया
say
था
that
उसने fan base को
by
काफी
web
divide
end
किया
you will
होगा.
be like, oh my god, Ishita, you
विशाल
would
मेरी
like
बात
the
नहीं
web
आई.
end
दोबारा
episode.
बोलना please.
Yeah, I was just saying कि like recent episode ने काफी fan base को divide कर दिया होगा between Levi fangirls and Eren fangirls.
मतलब
Yeah.
all in
They were
all.
never united in the first place, I guess.
No one liked Eren. I don't think so. Anyone liked Eren before this season.
हाँ मतलब
Yeah,
Levi
that
Except
can be.
except
Eren,
maybe
but
I mean, इस
me.
season भी Eren has become थोड़ा villainish.
See, that
थोड़ा
is
क्या? He is the monster
That
now.
is the reason why I don't like AOT anymore.
that is good, that adds
Monster
complexity
कैसा
to it.
Eren and Kaneki are similar, I think.
Like
They have accepted that.
AOT can pose the moral dilemma of sorts. Who do you support now?
Yeah.
No, there's nothing like that.
Okay.
Again, manga
No.
for this.
There's
I
no.
won't-
No.
So all in all,
But
I
I'll
think
just say that 2-3 episodes in, you will have a very hot scene.
okay.
Hot scene. अच्छा sex होने वाला है क्या?
But all
No,
in all,
like
I
hot
think
scene.
even with the traditional shonen as pulls जो AOT ने किए हैं
बहुत ज्यादा किए.
previous. Sayam, I'm trying to end it, so it would be nice if you didn't interrupt. Thanks. Well, I think all in all, with the number of ass pulls that AOT ने किए हैं over the previous 3 seasons, I think we can safely say कि at least the showrunners know how to make a show. The fact कि उन्होंने season 4 में पहले 4-5 episodes हमें इतना तड़पाया, then they finally gave us the big scene with the basement, the play.
Yeah.
Like they know how to create a hype and they know what people fall for. So
True.
the hype, even if not well placed, is still well deserved. Okay, solely because of the fact that showrunners know how to make a show. Okay, so on
Not
that.
the showrunners, Hajime Isayama.
Okay, sorry.
I think she's talking about the directors of the anime.
I was.
Yeah, but they just adapted the content, in my opinion.
Yeah,
The
but you
sound
still have to make a
direction is
decision
the
as to how
important thing.
many chapters you'll adapt when you'll adapt them, right?
They are just
Things I
rushing
do
things,
not
to
know.
be honest. Actually, they could have taken more episodes.
I feel like it's perfectly paced right now.
हाँ,
If you read the
अगर
manga, you
ज़्यादा
will realize
episodes
how
होते तो
fast it
bore हो
is.
जाते लोग.
That's why do not read the manga. Be a chat.
Yes.
Manga is interesting.
Hey, you
I'll
can't.
recommend.
We cannot always satisfy both the sides of it. We always need to have a
Exactly.
compromise between them.
हाँ.
So
Yeah.
manga guys
Like-
can be happy. Manga guys can be
What-
happy that they have they have a deeper perspective, and anime guys can be happy that they have the complete plot line which is important to the plot. So yeah, both worlds are happy.
Hmm.
Yeah,
True.
all that I wanted to say was ki at this point you shouldn't. No manga reader should be whining that the adaptation is bad. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah,
Even though
adaptation is
the
not
manga
bad.
might be better.
That's what material is
I
from.
don't know.
Okay, so on that note, thank you to all our viewers. If you're still viewing this, so that's
Listeners.
really nice. And we hope that we can come up with more episodes in the future. So just tune in whenever you can. I'd like to thank
Like, share, and
Raghav,
subscribe.
Sayam, Meow Meow, Vishal,
Mhm.
Lucas, Regina, Avyansh, and this is Ishita. And we really hope that whenever we put out an episode next, we still have the viewership that we do today, if not more.
Yeah.
And please रुक जाओ, मुझे थोड़ा intro वाला scene दोबारा करना है.
Link to our Patreon in bio.
जल्दी कर.
I can also do hentai girls next week or what?
हाँ, ठीक है. So today we have
Edit करना नहीं है. Edit इन्हें
Unedited,
करना.
unscripted.
today we have with us Raghav, Sayam, Meow Meow, Vishal, Lupus Regina, Avyansh, and this is me, Ishita. So today we're just going to cover what got us into anime, what we like about it, and perhaps just a little bit of IITD culture regarding anime, and just a tad on the latest season of Attack on Titan. अब बंद कर दे recording अगर तुझे करनी है तो.